Oh, I said it after we lost against Sevilla and Basel and or in Kiev and these kind of things. It's not bad to get to the final.
Sumpa FM. Sumpa FM. Sumpa Sports. Sumpa Sports. Sumpa Sports.
My name is Kwesi Antich. In this region, sports is all about
Sumpa Sports.
For us for this, because we were able to win this competition, really difficult competition, but
all right, Sumpa 93.1 www.sumpaonline.com. Of course, we are going to say no. Over joining on Sumpa TV, Sumpa 93.1 on Facebook. Nabwa Nanema Day Pret Miramaro Meno and also say a transe. Now Futa Juma Deneba, a Bobby Rameti Miramane Abana, Yababe Din Commando Nanabwa, Na Bibia Dead, the Agri Munsevno, and a Naya de Ebro Nan Commando Dos Yepa, Yabako Amanone, Naya Coquesa Amanone Sevno, a C Air Quanopeya, Uruaniche. PSG omansueri omosono ebo modia omo first game of preseason mu no na chese ekoso ne Luther King ebe ma wanya fili ne kakra wa husere nema ekoso Japan na boa na bibia deda yeso no etimiara ma beko dwama so na ye didi nkoma na boa na ne ma so adaye pera ma fise no so beba wo mra ne yewramu amanone ya papa nsene ma wie no na ato aso era ma na ukoda bia sade ye no no ene eye den a ye beko duana se na duana so ne ye be didi nkoma dia and ever for preseason who your special guest no a coach Maswa Kradu of course or your coach onim di yepa na ejuma wa bono wa Ghana no enye ejuma keto akra wa ye ejuma de ama teams outdoor na asan bu ejuma de ama national teams outdoor na ere o Legon City nei coach be join e na nkoma outdoor na said ye hia na afaso kra no die nti na was a preseason no ye ansana season no kra no etimi asha se emfaso ene ade de be players no ene clubs no ni no obre no don sense ne wura na boa na bibia de di so de amade apostle ofidema Bishop enso e wa hanom and afre Michael Akumia Jamfi the sports messiah e ofidema Michael Sarbodu so no e wa hanom na afre Luther King odi ebekwa amanone na boa manema adaye peda me producers ro ye wonas and abrantia ye friend Ricardo Vaz omo na techia jumadi no ya ba betransia e remedy amadiri abudiabi ye kona fia manone nsem no ene ya sha se na rerema etimi edi ama Luther King
Abu Diabe
Luther King
Mr. Y
Kena bibia she ye de
nyame adomene ye eyesenra
fantastic
ahweye ana mehwe na esemasuro nipa
so de nipa de wan so no kra nche e wo so nipa enkofo ye ozo mo no se no omo aso na be sande wako
no kre
na King that no team na so ufi kokko uramu yeji no boa me kakra sa story no de boa me kakra
se Division 2 na na
boda
oh
na ni boda
obi a oni mi bia ni nim se Luther King na oye footballer
okay yenko ka story ni chebiti o
story ni eti but mesre omo afina no mo frame se on person ko be sign me no omunyai se football mi aba na wie mi ntimi mo biem
sa izara why mre but story ni na etise story
ni se na Amantin Division 2 be friend Cotton Rangers
okay
na me ye defender me bo 4 nti me jesse number 4 me mfa ni agro
okay
na me gina kire wa area bo boa nti ye bo league ni wie no na team bi wo ye je friend Lazio
okay
eno ye Lazio for show interest o mo peme ti transfer window ni bie no mo ne mpanyimfo di nkoma gali na ye panyini
okay
ene manki bi mo nti o mo di nkoma wie na se team no ho be yan se me ko bat skani ho
okay
enti na team run so ye adwuma wo ye jinsuo no so wo yi nam ena o mo de enam akentem yenu ebre Amantin Cotton Rangers na mkosi akamo
to move from Amantin Cotton Rangers
to ye Lazio aye enam kentem yenu
ene de ma
apatre
okay de apatre ne de yen no
oh apatre unim ekwa me fan se tilapia line no na o ma ho no tilapia no ma ho no
edu de no na de ya ho ni bia
na se no ye ji omo ye omo ho
okay okay na ai Amantin modini no so efe
and me nimba just
hey Luther not just the number na baba talk ye Lazio
team ni hiame and as times so na ma kentem yenu a enye easy.
Oh, okay. It's now okay. Kabuma na scan number is
okay, and nyam na me ton ye team panyin for the 20 minutes min kire.
Ba do wari bu ala be say.
Oh, me and me simi ntimi. Mesrew. If you don't know, kind of teams be a chassis friend.
Ba only born is
because so do Edra Agri College. 3 years in an ambush team. Best defender.
Ah, okay, that's great.
Oh, master, me records there.
Ati Lutakeno no na of course ya so kwa mantin modini no no. Ati sana hon 70. Lutaza where crado. Say be biade dem.
Yan koye nim. Because dimbe akanos omunni me sawa mantin.
Ah, ba be dem.
Eti omde from wa mantin obate no menka.
De dia.
Actually.
Look down there. Lutaken.
Mr. Y, Abu Diaby Brankwaku.
Luta.
Right at the small Brennan Sanson and nano per full time Jumadian so. You be breaking on my down here, touching on my day, Jamu Yompo, Ediama, ye Sumfo, and Nasia Shafoni, a tear for Nanopaya. Yan shall say every word Alexis Elcoso, United States of America, Oregon, Oka Oregon 2022. Unye mistake na say na meda table no, ACT, Nasibia full time Jumadian so. I was said the update outdoor, Yedi bring a tear for Shafo. Na say anampacho city upiama so far United States of America medal table no mo na dasro omo total medals in 18 omanya gold in 6 and omanya silver 5 and omanya bronze 7 Ethiopia toss me no omo total medals in 6 uchichema omo gold in 3 Samson omo silver 3 omo ni bronze bia Kenya toss me nsa omo total medals in 6 omo gold in 1 Samson omo silver omo nya so 3 and omo bronze 2 Jamaica toss 9 omo gold in 1 omo silver 2 omo bronze 1 total medals in 4 and Poland at 5 omo so gold in 1 omo silver 2 and omo bronze bia omo total medals no eso 3 and no ediate na yemfa kakran free Oregon em yetefo ya dey say 4x400 relay mixed no enya bra wi anya winners no na ka say 4x400 relay mixed da dey tenye no no man mema mienu na che say oba no e sha say bato no ko park no ho okoba ku besia na dia ma we nu so de ko no mo ko ni nyina wie no opie mo me friend Dominican Republic and etimi win your gold medal no na omo time omo di wie no 3 minutes 09.82 seconds and omo di wie no achi Netherlands etos me no munya silver omo de 3 minutes 0.9.90 seconds and omo di wie and United States for America no na so omo bo adwuma omo tos me nsa bronze omo de 3 minutes 10.16 seconds and omo di wie no ediatia ye jamu ediamamo and e wo dwuma de so join live on Sumpa TV Sasuna Sumpa 3.1 FM no na bianko ko Facebook no Sumpa 3.1 and your Sumpa TV bia obetimi like no share videos audio ba Sasuna pictures audio eso e betwa gudi bia madiama na ko pem enchas emfi meeting na yetodwa between Atletico Madrid omusi owura ye fe no Gil Marin one opanyina ye fe no Jorge Mendes etimi share on Abrante fe no Cristiano Ronaldo Mr. Misunkuma lewa no obeka edi card ya to nim sa Atletico Madrid for ba so omope na mpacho se na emu nchiremu ni tie Ronaldo agenta ye fe no Jorge Mendes mom na kwenu ni CEO Mr. Gil Marin share or represent Atletico Madrid and okajen so me client fe no Ronaldo person next is obo UEFA Champions League na nani ba je asan ko be join tima ye fe no Atletico Madrid Estadio Wanda Metropolitano na emom oba sika obeje no ketebe so kakra bi na obeje nyesika bia na opanyina ye fe no Gil Marin da Jorge Mendes ase na okache sa proposal with omusoma enye ye onpe ba bifofro no onfa nani enche no nkoba adwuma no de dabama so na ukopema me ye adwuma we Chelsea aso ye de amamo na no po Chelsea supporter no you assume na ensam no koya na wapena ma bibia ye kama na de ten sa Brantia ye fe no Khalid Koulibaly keke no say jersey number 26 and obeshe Chelsea okay JT and na sa jersey number 26 no say Khalid Koulibaly and obeshe sa jersey no ama bia kama de Chelsea na ewura mo Chelsea sister na Brantia fe no President Kimpembe edi nkomo pesa boy ne storm de ba na momom suro esa boy bia no reject sa move no no Brantia fe no Kimpembe no so de fina so eba na Chelsea mpanyimfo se my sen dadako ye busom sa day se ba so Omanya Branta, even a President Kimpembe, Nasa Omanya Branta, even a Juskunda, Omo Brante be obo Edima RB Leipzig, also Obajuma ye papa, even a Josco e Vadio, Nasa Brante Vadio, no, Omunyan de Neba, Obetima Baba Boy Juman Adama Omo, and your so far Chelsea, the from Soyeba, Nami Tarima or Manchester City, Nama Pianka Craig Jamu Podiama City, a Chitafa, Manchester City said, yeah, almost so many Brante about my Brighton, your friend, I am Mark E. Cucurella, Omanyan Edin Commodore, personal terms now, or ya cry away, Nemo is officially, the bidding of Kakuma Brighton, Naso Marchano Makoya, a Brighton Baba Bojuma, Edama Bobokua, your friend Manchester City, the citizens, I will say Bia, as we to Dana Aquamo, na Arsenal, and Manchester City, Done Aya Dan, Omanya Wie, wa Johnny Team Nafi, Obia Eba Chomo, Arsenal, Branta, if an Alexander Zinchenko, Yadikadia to him, as a boy, no, or the body of Arsenal City, Janoquine, or Copiman Rano Man City, or training camp or free, or Copiamo Arsenal, some base Orlando, or United States of America. Now, Brantia, Yefan Zinchenko, the maintenance and contractor, or beside the Arsenal, a Babana till 2026, answer, and I say, Bia sweat my kama, now boy in Senaje, or I say, Bia sweat my koye, as so Ediama Arsenal, Bobo Ekuno, and no Edia Bakas official announcement, no, Ebeba from both clubs, no, Omansoye, as a Brantia, or free Kreven Alexander Zinchenko, he said, we're Arsenal player, now Ojibwana, workaholic Zinchenko, no, or Babo Jumba Biafa, my rum ewo Panina, Yefan Pep Guardiola, on so Casabzas of Panini, Nasa, we Champions League, Chum last season, a branch of Ukraine, Yefano Zinchenko, or Bojuma Yepa, Edmond Adena Mujano Kwana, Sena Pep, editor and Michel Mudimaye.
On behalf of the club, our gratitude for the effort, for how they behave on and off the pitch, and yeah, it was nice yesterday with Alex because we could say bye properly. Unfortunately, with Raheem and Gabriel could not do it because it was the summertime. But yesterday and dinner together, we could say bye to him and move on to Arsenal.
No idea, Pep, actually, and watching us up, and you know, dear young Consama Biem, Yanoma Yatete, as some call a meeting Bima Refen in Nema, Nidibadam table, so some in Nema Eba, and no cray, as some who pay huge name your Man City, na huge name no Muya and Ecosi Nema so Anna.
So I'm sorry for them because the information that they were linked was false. Neymar is an incredible player. And for information that I have, is incredible, nice guy. So leave him calm, let him express his huge talent that he has in Paris alongside Messi, Neymar, and Bobby Star.
And no answer, Pep Guardiola, Mr. Tiki Taka man and all. And watching the Buzans open, you striker, yeah. What did about Pimpina striker? Your friend Ellen Holland, no, or no so canon some Kakachas, Sobia, ever so bet my boy, man. I didn't know what first striker, no, Eddie Achre.
Unbelievable, but he has to adapt in our play, and of course we are going to adapt with his movement, the quality in the box. We're going to try to put as much balls as possible in the box to have more chances to score goals. But we're going to win and lose as a team, and this is important. So if you have to think about it, we buy a striker or bought a striker because we didn't score goals. This is not the reality. It didn't happen this season.
And no answer, Pep Guardiola, Mr. Tiki Taka man, HM for striker, friend Pimpina striker, Ellen Holland, the home or whatever ye goes on Roberto. Now, Branton Kawaka, and I say, once over 25 for switch now, Alexander Zinchenko, as we jump for Samu Casapapa, now, boy, corner, wouldn't I also dear now, Becadia fan home, Mobashilana.
Everything's goes well for Alex on his medical and obviously personal terms and whatever Arsenal have agreed. As you can see, with the lads and throughout the training and throughout even the staff, he's a really popular guy and he's going to be a miss. But listen, life goes on with football. We have to deal with it. It's a little hurdle that we've had to overcome, and we'll just deal with the players that we've got here.
no idea no na ye Ramo Tottenham omanso ya mbacho de tie nie opioma the Brazilian players omo Bournemouth Tottenham omo ye gagai papa omo miensa akohia wo abrante Lucas Moura Sasuna abrante even Emerson Royal any abrante ono se friend Richarlison omo sign from Everton enche na omo akohia no mu didi omo nkoma we gagai ne de omo kire odwane Osompa TV obon se Richarlison nkonkomu bi waden deso okoto akunkon se opramire a wode na mo na se ono na Lucas Moura omo omo samba ma no manyina eso ekoye eno Brazilian players on bodma Tottenham onsem kakra eso eno no na branch bodma Wolfsburg Boboko no ye fe no Kevin Mbambu ono so the meeting say within 24 to 48 hours also touch it down e wo land na full am Boboko no okwani medical ma bibiatime kama na ska APM 8 million euros na branch no ebeko ediama club even Wolfsburg na so no so age pini akobo adwuma ediama Boboku ye fen Fulham eno ededa ho na okopema mamen touch way down as a Manchester United player Jesse Lingard ebeto dwa as a team Saudi bi pe no Nottingham Forest for show interest as omunya boy no mo promonia bre saso na branch no dia to manim say na otwebia no £180,000 every 7 days or some of the man omo send the hunhunye omu obeba nkwado betua West Ham United for as a boy friend Jesse Lingard omunya na enya bad omunim no ombetumi na boy dwuma omo so no and your bow more Tottenham was now ya tesa munya Jesse Lingard mo penu krebe ne home and no Reverend Fabio Paratici and Antonio Conte editor him so nyano kre onyo mo target onya de say omoni eso eje no and no edia ba ya di MT for me Ramo Germany na mo ya dwuma bi from Bayern na so ya ba ne nyina so kopiem opanyin fe no Julian Nagelsmann on e Bayern Munich and Bayern Munich omo boss no na wakas was wa question team fe Barcelona what's the Barca for no wanwo adom yi nkonya na ene busa sade what's the team ba ko mu nisika esu player bi omo promotimi to player bi Barcelona be ko bia no monsaka omo ni tekom ni simpom ni dama esu player bi omo de ba what's wadwene wa wonim de ntia esade ne etimi akoso ene ba mu nchina omo boss ye fe ne Nagelsmann ene de sansam na todwa ene wachi ene busa nse na nyame pa china Sadio Mane betimi fly akopem Morocco Kafa wosa ebe todwa no so oh yes omo ne Sadio Mane di nkomo emo ose opeso oko omo ni problem private jet on bama ne de akọ na mum ade ha omo ese obe travel be 18,000 miles eno de akọ na mum eno na omo so obeba no wabre eso omo bo game ni wie ne against ADC United omo be jano kwam na akọ na so akọ awards no omo wi awards be to do Rabat o Morocco no o wi a na so ase adwani team no o Washington e America eno e de dawa ye de MT for dwumade so na Branta Matthijs de Ligt eno no so no o join team no Washington no ade so o join ni teammate no na so join Bayern Munich teammate no any coach no na so no so no ma ekwe wo hwa said o si join no mo ne said e no ma ekwe ya na so no so ni age papa eno ya branch friend Matthijs de Ligt na mo Matthijs de Ligt ono so no ya de se omoma no eto Bayern Munich no mo jesi no asene ni age eso join team no pre no entento benya kwan kwatamata na hye no de ne nsewura no de ba no okwa bahwehwe and the screen so no o join yo ewo Esompa TV so Facebook abon so mo de Bayern Munich o mo jesi no e man 10 was said any ja or the said na ye kama and watch no Jesse number 4 and on so many man no I just on so be said am Bayern Munich am bia so ye kama and no edeba ye jam na pia mo Bayern Munich team no o mo Washington dey to anim ese no ma ekwe no mo so no ade say players ni be after training o mo sign autographs edema e fans o mo ba beta o mo chi e ma no ma kon kama o hwe screen e Osompa TV Facebook subon sampa o mo esensa autographs edema e fans o beta o mo chi e odi for the ho no ededa ho na okopiem ya de setima ye friend no Borussia Dortmund o ma tonsa fro o mu team B striker o free Switzerland ye friend Bradley Fink na Bradley Fink no no ya de say Abranta ye friend Sebastian Haller o ye des opera ya me de to anim say so wa fly abepiem o Dortmund o ye treatment and so oji treatment ama bia ye kama e na Abranta friend no Bradley Fink o mu tonsa friend no o join team no what the bicycle and o de echo team no can base o if say team so base o Switzerland wa no edie na ura mo Paul Torres the meeting send agents no ne team of Man City di nkomo mpese o mo de Abranta ne ba na mom ni nyina no say team ye fan Villarreal e be hwe se bibia be koye edi ama o na sika sem release clause ni so mo je enu ye de na me ko Santiago Bernabeu o mago prama no o mo se o sika ofi akwada nsore anadwo nsu ha adwene ye bisa sa do a clubs ni be brom ni sika into o mo stadium no o mo ton naming right no na na obi di ni dia beto ma giska bebre na Real Madrid de Omar reject sa idea no enya de so beton Bernabeu din no ama obi di ni din aba beto so eno edeba na opiemo Barcelona almost say Abrante from Memphis Depay Abrante no don't for Tigare Makosa from Fusena into omunya na omo beton no ni nyina so omunya 15 million euros enya bad kra omo beje ama Abrante Memphis Depay akosi akada mo team a opebia ebusa sa de omo so twa team from Barcelona squad na enya de so obenya place or squad no eno ede don na they meet from Barcelona say players omo join Barcelona nyina see because of Xavi na Xavi no adwuma oboni din brawa bono ena ma players be bre person ni adwuma ka obi na guess apa dia team a ye friend no Barcelona they say they anka Zuku sem enya de sanka players be kono so opanyin no ka obi na ma players no join a team no eno eso de da ho ye de ema atie for na piemo PSG anopia about 10:30 omo bo game against Kawasaki FC eno ebeto dwa e New Japan National Stadium ho momianhwe stadium ho kakra 2 hours before the game na stadium ho omo video ediaba na se ho fe papa hwe ene da TV no so no odwane Sumpa TV ababia na game beto dwa 10:30 no eno ene da so na owura ye fe ni Messi no na kuntunkwini no na anopa kopem hotel e wo Japan Tokyo ho babia team ye fe ni PSG omo wo no obon se mrante no Messi eye training kakra eso e ho omo ehwe se bibia be koyi na se Messi ni players ni bi eye training wo hotel ho se bibia be koyi nice one there eno ene da so no Messi ono babia no na ni abresa krodom ani bra soja min fita du kunu abo obese bibia be koyi dia ma no eno e de da ho no na enu achi ne yantwe nema abra bas ni besu nema e be fro bas no amom do mani achem nema ne gaga dia we eye mesu na nante pa ena nema tatu wa hwahwahwahwe akwa eye swag de wote obema bia kama nema anu age ne fans ne kakra samba no age na enu achi no PSG bas no so call stadium no momi anhwe abra players no fro bas no nice one PSG on bas ne na mo no omo ko stadium akwa he se 10:30 game no ebetuma to dwa na momi anhwe omo dressing room ho abra na Messi ni Jason aye ready nema de no aye ready saso na Abrante fan Marquinhos omo Jesse no na etwitwa gu no ekọ PSG omo locker room ho omo Jesse so be hye no na no pai no na da so de ema tie for eso wo dwumadie no so na se de ten Abrante a ye fan Airglass in Bremer ono so no ade so piemo J Medical Center Juventus for her from Air Torino defender the Brazilian defender na ekọ no okọ medical bia koya na so na be replace Abrante Matthijs de Ligt ama bia ye oduru no supporters na welcome no or sign autographs e de ama wo mo enu Abrante Bremer de fina so eba no na okọ PSG a omo so omo na ka so omo pe omo nsam pe Milan Skriniar ade omo so omo abo Inter Milan for so omo pa Abrante na so Inter just replacement on pe no omo sent me anka na so omo sent me anka dia enya ade se ombe janam na ko Inter Abrante Milan Skriniar de mete ese Inter Milan empanyi for so omo ni bedi nkomo na ne contract wa stadium bibia eso etima koye ediama no eno ede te de sorry so na ye de amano ne nsam na sina full time dwumadie no package no emu ode Mr. Wedi ka kireo opanyi proper na duana se ye de kakra begu kura mu de se ne nchen onom kakra no wa shake na o ma bibia ye kama ono na eba so no so na me pa cho Abrante no bodma Liverpool okopie mo PSG ye fe no Georgino Wijnaldum owura no de mate no so onya AS Roma obebo ye bisa se ade o se Mourinho no person ne adwuma Mourinho ni de onya na ebebo an papa ni Steven be rich into one day onya AS Roma enya bad kra eno ede tia ye de emate fanyina so na nsem kakra no pa ebobo no wa no nsem full time dwumadie no so no ye mfansere Mr. Y Abu Dhabi bra kwaku efa emfa de aka nyina ento aso na onya bedwafo emfa enhyehye so emamo
asira kasi akwa fa Maluta kin and of course wa bono mo de etimi ade arero ma de also ti de also hu bia no wa bono de etimi ade ama enti jezampa ma no ne de para update awdo na ebe ko so arero kama pera ma ye dan ye kwa de ba per Bishop Atranse Michael Asaribodu Atranse era Michael Akomia Jean Fidi Apostle mu ina Atranse na mpese mu no ya bono de de reti ye dan ye kwa ba ya pe de akibia eto aso etimi ade ama
play a high press to force the mistakes.
They'll dominate the aerial ball. They too tall. We will handle the pressure and smash them on the break.
The number 9 has scored in their last 5 games.
The passing will be quick, decisive, precise. There will be drama in the dying minutes. This match will mean more than 3 points.
They will have the home ground advantage. This is why I bet.
This is why I bet. This is why I bet. Betway.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Ati akwenya so bebo montin nande no obetwa bet no twa no bet we na boana ne ma daye perama enche ya 5 major leagues na be shase aka no twika krebi na shase ti na ba no football ba ne online betting ne ni na no omudi ujuma basketball tennis no ne nyina betimi atwa ne no the World Athletic Championship here koso no akwenya so so be kona watimi aba modde no akwa ni na ne ma adadi perama wonye mfie du wotwe erekwa animu awa akwenya so so no odu ho ebe rezanza grow we no enye nkwada agro wo fi ade ane so be fa phone no obebo www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh na wa bomodin fa odo na odi yape kufu yere sendo na aboa na ne ma de ye pa etimi edi ama Michael Akumia the sports Messiah kwaba
yes Abudia bi meje oso menua
na bibia hye ye de
nyame adom bibia eboko bibia eboko
yera tweda mponya
madoma hwe ni experience
yes
saso abai na no pay
no ne hia pa
eba be suma santemai
ehia pa bishop ojamna bibia hye ye
nyame adom bibia okay okay pa very very okay
no pay zulu keep very
abafu polo Charlie
bafu polo amano pay uli keep more or less
so the mean is come from Kotoli spray
so the amanfo we bi omudwarim
and shirt
obia woni so dwarim
then bibi obia na mo ba but am zen call for di mu du chen bi mu de
so ni bi mu bi de ebi dia ye po ana bi mu de mfichire ana bi mu de ye gota
ni tintini na no say o de lin spray one na to
atade abeta
na do safa ho
ebi twawo ano de mi ano po de fa menfo ade menye yi kakra wo menfo na bi yo Sebastian Ale twona na
de me hwa ho no
sa and there no natural difference mo
de be atwo no different
sa bi wa na se me get kan e
onya case 5 man
na yini na ho no
ya chema ha bibi obetro mu de nya wo fa be no de man se ne hwa ho no
hwa no na
ababa akwa ho no
o we no zo baza ye ha adwen o wa me say ye body ni nyina bibi ase on sakra ba o prepare no
so mi ase wani ha sisi ya
no ye ya say no ne de chichi akonfo wo dem ne ade a unya ba ne nya so ho amasa wo ye ho abepa cho bo abodi emu da
no odwuma bebre di o
bo abodi emu da
ntɔhwe no obi ya de na ye
bebi a odam ye ho free
chaso
yo be say bo abodi emu da
nana
ni apepe be say there fa me ko na me say ne no komo na wa sha
so bi so som so na so gro hu so a
eno ya na nya feeling no more than
different breed of all feeling all together and you see
obi so wa yi no
on se bomu a obi so som no de gro a
obi ne ho
me nka de ni mentiate ni ba be sa na we onye nso bia na ye nso
se unim se board de bomu ya but se be wonu akodonkua bi wo no akodonkua no som na so dane na unim se ja
kanchima ni kiski for na just what they are danda na bre
unim se black look to be free so like white
sa
nye easy
meza o chezemu ofiao na
I mean, that is the reality.
Oh
yeah.
That's great.
That is the reality.
Mate.
Oh, some no grown out to Mr. Jack.
Ya na this we be say o chair na mani ajepa. O say ya no be any experience o musa. Na ya fa na esua na ya hu bibia so ya de be fa. Ti na wa ke bia na. Yeah. Bere ya.
Okodem bia na kodonkua na ntimi fa
obre. Me za fa me ko.
Yes. Abu, interesting development in the last 24 hours. Let me use the last 6 hours in terms of the transfer market. Heated. You say FC Barcelona or USA. Omanya very good results against Inter Miami. We say a preseason. Yes, it's a preseason though, but the style, anyhow, Barcelona want to set up next season. Very important, especially with the new signings. Now, and they say one player people are very astonished with in the performance. Yannick Frankesi. What win your opportunity here, Yannick Frankesi?
the whole of last season, AC Milan, I would definitely bear witness. We're crying in Ketuem. If Yannick Frankesi, Sani gear, that's all bear fourth gear, Eddie, so best stopino. And I strongly believe, sir, Obama that particular great Omunian in the midfield, especially with the strength Omunian so be ball, so a bullet the opponent is in a midfield battle. In terms of giving out great passes, running through the midfield with the ball, Yannick Frankesi beats Mama, all of these options. He's one player, other Christensen, Koho, Robert Lewandowski, but all of these players are there. But realistically, Abuno Cred, that one umpire say Yannick Frankesi might prove to be one particular signing. And Mr. Barcelona for best times can come AC Milan Munye Damase because of the more level of balance in their midfield, going forward and defending. He can play as a deep line playmaker. Obetimi Abo as a typical old-fashioned defensive midfielder who is very bullish. Obetimi Bunya gidi. Obetimi Swabo as a right central midfielder, as a left central midfielder. In Italy, we can call him a mezzala. He can play as a central campista. Obetimi Abo as a mediano. Obetimi Abo as a registrar. So this is a player that can play in all the 4 specific roles. Uko Italy Omutimi describe it as air midfielders. And me want to say Yannick Frankesi is going to be a perfect addition for this particular Barcelona team. Rafinha and Munina they are giving them the results. They are playing so well. And hopefully, let's see how they go. But I feel Nipa Barcelona supporters should expect a lot of big things from him to change their whole structure. Ebe Brante Fene Yannick Frankesi in that particular midfield. Now, only to the transfers kakra. And social on social media at a point in time, Kunde is blue was trending, and Karma Kunde was also trending. The Spanish media were trending Karma Kunde, and the English media, any Chelsea supporters are trending. Kunde is a blue. But a situation in Abu, the Etienne said the boy will be happy to join either Barcelona or Chelsea. It depends on the amount of Sevilla and team can agree. Team Sevilla bet in agreement. Say, yeah, pesca 65 million euros. Sevilla MP player swap. Sevilla MP imaginary deal. Sevilla MP say pushia kwani muse me 5 years. Sevilla wants their cash, hands down. Panya is scanning ye, yeje. Sevilla sika or discount drum.
And only like ne bad cross on more pa na say.
Ne bad cross
or more can't figure be once him.
Or can figure be once him.
Okay.
Figure no more can once him no. Sevilla etimianya what they wanted in the market. Sometimes club will have to get 2 clubs involved in a specific player deal just to raise the bet and not resist can. Acquire one club it becomes difficult so bet many scar where they open. Unless I'm who bet macho. Even Arsenal and Manchester United co PMA, Lisandro Martinez era is 57 million euros. No, we've seen it. Darwin Nunez, Manchester United 80 plus 20 million add-ons. When teams get involved in a bidding war, there's only one thing that is assured: the transfer fee goes up. Baby, a general anchor 55 million euros could do a perfect job for Kunde. That is a upfront fee, not 5 million add-ons. But Sevilla heard the way Barcelona near this one being boy no. Chelsea won't play this one betimenya boy no. Abu ni nyina ba begina say 65 million euros no. What cash? Either 60 cash, 5 add-ons or 65 for the first can be here for better. Player now ready to move to any club. Sevilla is going to agree. He's ready to move to Chelsea because last season, not only Chelsea were personal agreement that one say Oba say kind of personal terms that didn't agree. It's just recently Yana Barcelona should be removed into the system. But look at how Barcelona is also working in the transfer market. Barcelona are being smart with how they are operating. No credit I'm say. I must spend 75 million euros on Rafinha. I must spend 45 million euros on Robert Lewandowski. Rafinha 75 no and yet upfront now no muchi ademo. First payment might even go in and around by January. It is Canada. And no more dear be or more don't do more than more. Lewandowski dey no muchi cash because ba me dey on one fan mouse corner kwatena baby yeje. Yeje dwam because no mo so ne Matthias de Ligt din komo. E also mu pesca so. E dey kwaji that particular amount of and no dey any amount of money dey kwaji play fair no. Matthias de Ligt and they entered in and they go what they want to do. But Barcelona is waiting to make sure say boy ne be convinced to wait for them. Say they be betima activate the second level. Or more activate the second level no betima nyeska kakra. So they are not working with Sevilla as it stands. Barcelona have not had any official communique with Sevilla. Barcelona is solely working on the boy and his agent. just to make sure someone never catch on say yeah 20 Rafinha situation, you know, it's either Barca or nothing else. Lewandowski is either Barcelona or nothing else. That is how some of these clubs do. And one thing a disadvantage and a bad advantage they are my club near say advantage for Barca and Ibejina say player cash or power prize, you know, yanyiru subebre. On the different side, who Nipana also ton players, the player like Sahana me pa also ni reka. Disadvantage you have to accept. And that is where Barcelona want to work with. Chelsea will say no. As some conform more than any just some way to do. Because already, my for Christensen free. Christensen is not Chelsea po. Chelsea would have loved him to extend his contract. But that boy is not dream P as far back as February. So I could see a kind of Barcelona or my final call. Chelsea, Barcelona working their way through the mindset of their captain, Cesar Azpilicueta. They've worked their way through Marcos Alonso. All of these two players are pushing and forcing. Say you perceive a Barcelona because they also have a club near Yamomari. Rafinha so bad honum so Barcelona saw their Chelsea in film as I saw for Rafinha. I think Todd Bowley in his first reign wouldn't watch these things happen. But that at Bali went Tenassi Shema Sadi Wenkoso. It's on Tenassia. They want to push forward, agree a few with Sevilla, and they are confident they'll get the deal done because they believe say player na catch Sevilla say obi a club ne be agree biano. He will move. That is what Chelsea is operating for.
The ohun ne dia kundi so call Chelsea na was so chen Barca.
Yeah, and now unwa dey be see. And when I join na news free Spain buy. Relief of one of your story say Chelsea epe Frankie de Jong.
Yeah.
Now my ready so make me Cheska kwakwa. I'm prepare bid for him. The agina ni nane say now Barcelona would wish say anka Man United enye smart no mo for 75 plus 10 in your day. Emra. Because that's a kunde battle, no. They are losing it. That is the reality. Sevilla is becoming impatient. Sevilla yes can Sevilla Monangas or yes can their top players. Their wage bill is also a problem. They need to sort things out. Let's go Madrid. They need money. And secondly, they believe that Barcelona team a rival and no more Spain. As they be on best player, they will love to sell him to Europe. It's almost so yes, it's Barcelona will use their media in the shape of the Spanish media to bring a story. Pressure Manchester United said Chelsea, and you brace on Frankie de Jong. Manchester home because Jan Metef, any Arnold wouldn't sit down to be disgraced again in their first time era in terms of managing Manchester United football affairs. Now mobile, I see a good one in Yadia, Muso Mobile, Poprawa negotiated for 2 months with the player. Now player now Manu Akusiak A&M Guasie. Coach in fair primary target any Frankie de Jong, Lisandro Hodie, Malaysia or Hodie, Ericsson Hodie, but the primary target pa any Frankie de Jong. And also one see out. It's such a disgrace they feel Manchester United can't take. But the question is Chelsea not one of these and Chelsea is saying the primary target pan and Frankie de Jong asem. Chelsea peking Pembe. Chelsea will have to sort out their central defenders new year. Omuri asa no maba laterals. And some compo no maba midfield kwampo. So Chelsea will have to move from those particular positions. It's not like they are not interested. Realistically, coach a friend Thomas, you have always liked this boy from the days at Paris Saint-Germain. But realistically, maybe at Chelsea and say no. And so just to put pressure on Manchester United, Manchester won't be playing not the 75 in the bar. Now Fede, or Matimania be the Aquacotoku, and somebody I Chelsea and he say what? But maybe a Gina say no. Chelsea have moved closer to the deal. Petima, Chelsea needs Sevilla, and you couldn't deal near around 80% done. Sevilla, Barcelona, and you couldn't deal no. Age na 60% because they are convincing the player. So within the next few days, you know, you will see a lot of things. But you see quickly, Abu, what is Sebastian Haller issue, no? Tescular tumor. Now Luis Suarez non person in the best show. Borussia Dortmund. I'm a person for Luis Suarez. I'm a person with Luis Suarez be straight. Dortmund. Borussia Dortmund. Yes. I'm with the team come. Luis Suarez is a free agent. And some person with the best show Borussia Dortmund be replace Abrantia. Your friend Sebastian Haller. Quickly, Ronaldo so patcho and Guasia and Dosso do. And no pay report free Atletico de Madrid deba. So only go marry Mama Betanasi be meeting. We meeting when I go marry catch him say. Why Mendes no could this uncommon? You see, the disgrace is becoming too much. Ronaldo has said chinchina yard also do. You're a top player, you're a quality player. If you want to move, let your things move for you. As a turn do. A pump train also do.
Emran kazi ninka so. What does it? Adibia waja zibia we. Emran mi kikan ze mi.
Every way Mendes.
Ronaldo AG bi na nkofo bi ne nam. Ayi Qatar ne Saudi Arabia ne we. And offer scrape offer fi Saudi be no za sika no de mimi ni apa ni Ronaldo aka metu no fo.
Personally me I think yambo na baso.
Migi nyanto ba se na me ma kwa papa cho. Oh yes, I could be feeling that.
I
could be feeling that. As all man so Migi, that actually there.
You be back, come on.
Oh, Debbie, I come here. Do baby house, my man was the DH. Chama me, what's what
Kadekeri asembi so to so ha.
Atina na what was ba ma call Facebook or kakra. Ma unzi akotia Friday and please update me Chelsea with Kunde. I think that mezi adi unkomo sisi Hamdan Simon Nedian, good morning to you all watching live from Atakwa Goldfish. Man United transfer update mezi Remu kakra and afi Odifo Kofi Daniel Odifo Nedian also watching live from St Michael's Clinic. No ya do Odifi Antrong 9 minimze Bijo Manyeni ya Antrong 9 your group was Antrong 9 meaning there but the manyane ane bia na mistake there. Matthew Martin Sompa Classic Sports show in Ghana now and I'm coming new guy. Good morning Abu. Any update on CR7? I think this year Messiah Abomodin Remumrante Hene Danny Boy. I'm watching live inside Obuase Mrante Hene Crudin. And we are also at the Samuel Sia. Good morning, Barca all the way. I love Barcelona too much. And Jarvis K is Sean. Good morning to you, my fellow Liverpudlian Atapuku. Dennis Mess. Nediano great shows, some passports, the best. Abu, any update on the Milo games? I think say Milo no nay. And at the discipline committee never call aqua transona cases I warning Marina Yakana Nemako ye pay to me at the Amazi Emmanuel Quatin Abu go kill also a chopa oh chama Nami Bizao na Menkaza Sanet Yabo Armstrong Arms from South Africa. You guys watching you live from South Africa. Abu Dhabi are fantastic and I love Atapuku dressing today. He makes me miss Ghana. Never enjoy about why na Mike xylophone. Nedia fireworks Emmanuel Quatin Nidia hey Messiah Usoma now what done now only had never chere near how Aziz Tanko. Good morning Abu, I'm watching live from our castle. You guys are doing a great job, keep it up. And we had no son Nereba Baby Rum and so I'm on the serious Canadian. I'm watching live from Afghanistan, some passport fire and I'm on say Rapso DGH Nadia no son. Good morning, watching live inside East Legon American House Abasa all the way. Dimiki family rum near me baby also they may funny we are
Eddie. Administrators in Bakwas, I can just Tronan or Eastern region.
And Tronine. Okay, and Tronine or Eastern region.
Oh, they show 3 hours.
Oh,
they show 3 hours.
Oh, send me who maintains Crony Dinda. And I mean, Mickey Crody on Unim Diana. Oh, boy, I'm all break a crack. I do their friend is in Tronine. Medana Sepa Eastern region. Eastern region. Say who be bio. Mickey. But my family room.
Abu, yeah. Before the Meba Ronaldo the end so Ochina Yankopon ya Doma Rabat Morocco. The CAF awards ne baso and Ghana were interest wom sanke ebe prefer say anke the top 3 players across Africa mema na femwa. Anka Ghana at least a benya player will come day yache. And I think that for a long time Ghana has been begging for an African player crown with that glory, but unfortunately it has not come. The closest in recent times Rebecca Sami Oseko for IAJ Mudema Wanko Kanumo at a certain point in time a large doof Muina Bepan Hojibi. So let's hope and pray. But the Ghanaian interest the woman Evelyn Bedu no see a kind of Mazakis ladies and how she excelled or bear travel their no way. But before that, no didn't conquer the domestic terrain or the women's southern sector league, then overall women league champions at Ghana, then the women's FA Cup, Ombeko Wafu, they will go there and they'll also conquer. Then Omoko Africa, Ombako the second, where the CAF Women's Champions League name. Then Evelyn Bedu at the end of the tournament, Ebeje top scorer, and then the best player of the competition. And to share the way to me, she also qualified Ghana Mano, a team, that is under 22 to the Under-20 Women's World Cup at Airbus or Costa Rica this year. And it has been an excellent year for her. Into Dodone training say the crowning moment say Hona Africa's greatest individual footballers are a man in Memano. Evelyn Bedu will be able to get something. And she's also in there with the young player of the year or interclub afana yes club side the away you know. Then they will reward you. We are young player of the year women. On Doris Bodua plus a Moroccan player. They are also competing to Bar. We have enough time to tackle that. I think Zembemane the best player and they definitely it should go for a branch Sadio Mane.
Clearly Ghana
yeah, we should get at least one award. Azakes Krasu won for Club of the Year, Mano. Let's pray Senor Mabeti Miakoye Diamaya. But Mbemane definitely, if you are looking for the African Player of the Year under review, it should go to none other than Sadio Mane.
Oh, okay.
Club level, he was a top performer. Salah goes was in the but in terms of impact, statistically, Salah benya a marginal edge over a branch offensive Sadio Mane. A gap kitwebi, but all the national team Mane inspired Senegal to win the AFCON for the first time in their footballing history. Omonya Sadi Nibida. We are not one China. Mane will lead Senegal again at the expense of Salah once again because AFCON no Omoshe Salah team no J. Then World Cup qualifiers, playoffs, and Omoshe Salah no J. I don't think Obia performance at club and national team level amongst the top three because I know Sadio Mane, then Edouard Mendy, then now the Mo Salah Babekao. Omo Treno. Mane nane dia no dance so pa at the national level Edouard Mendy ne money share the harness because dear money here for Senegal no Edouard Mendy was also part of that team but at club level we share the season at Liverpool now they compare Chelsea there clearly the gap nature say Sadio Mane stands tall amongst the three even including a country man and Edouard Mendy so you should go for him in China Yaba will delve deeper into it. Ronaldo Diana this is it. Atletico Madrid the Barbe say retirement home before players they want to say goodbye to the game but baby kakra jojo omo ho Europe and Sanibia Ombeko America no moko Ombeko Asia no moko and it has happened to several players. Fernando Torres or started with Atletico there Boba could now grow Liverpool, AC Milan, Chelsea near there but when he was finally ready to say goodbye Torres back to Atletico and then do it in recent past. David Bia Abra Basa Foja no Kwai. Say on corner, people thought he was done and dusted in the European game. But Bia will have the last dance at Atletico Madrid or Belgian League at the Amomo. Luis Suarez, Enrichia, and Abasa for Pam ya. Or didn't reach Atletico, he was able to crown himself with glory or J the League. Ano dija hode koi. So Ronaldo to tune any baby ano say Manchester United baby or it is like or you caged as a canary, as a bird. Sa won no my yellow bino. Ye di omushe cage mo. Manchester United Ronaldo sabi because almost a team ni potential or more 1-1. He will miss out on top competitions, which is the Champions League. He will also not be able to win the Premier League. It is what now United B1. The chances of a Ronaldo say on winning silverware no are very high. Into a tune near the Shea Europa. Baby be a destination in Betimia Buane Kakra because baby and Kayano they are not willing, they are not ready. Into then Ronaldo be PSG will not open their doors. Oko Madrid, Carlo Ancelotti can last season, they will not open their doors. Barcelona signing Lewandowski, they are not ready for Ronaldo. Bayern Munich for now catch on, so opinion no born the only more, but yani your model be a fast with the signing players. Ronaldo fits our model no, so they will not go for him. Into amongst the top class and come here ready to grab him. None is ready to sign Cristiano Ronaldo. In TP Atletico Hono, or share history kakrani way then he will want to flirt with them. Into any omoko could sign kakra nebi abuana na wetimia yedi obeye. But there is a history. The history between Ronaldo and Atletico Madrid, no, and then how confrontational the move nebeye, especially in a legendary status of Real Madrid, mono, and my move ni looking very unlikely. One, open teams are Ronaldo ashe go say ti omo power when a career more. Uyi Sebia, washe 27 goals the eti omo Atletico netwaso 25 goals in washe the eti omo 20 penalties. Aside that, the kind of hurt Ronaldo across Atletico for, even when Oko Juventus Champions League knockout stage obey Ronaldo will be responsible for 2 or 3 eliminations from UEFA's prestigious competition because obey the Atletico for any. And to check Ronaldo so a personal record in terms of disciplinary record, yellow cards are winning against Atletico year 11. Yes. Inti Oshioma ayane a feisty. Ayane mueshe. Ayana oyenyo maybe the spitey omo. Enti no share go ti omo no. Sako Jones celebration na Diego Simeone yeah or say I have balls no. Ronaldo so koye ebe de Atletico fans no mujaye. Into Ronaldo's first Champions League game was Spain. Obe boy no. When he was going through all that, he man the red card in there. Eventually, people felt that Atletico Madrid, they can't really accept him as one of their own. And a player who used to be a rival, to some extent an enemy, will we want him to be part of our party? I don't think so. The probabilities, no, in terms of this deal, manifesting are very, very slim. Anke Fatre ne pepepe, David B. Adiano. Luis Suarez Diano, Ronaldo Suko Rao Kakra, na Buane chance no, a best answer Peja La Liga Nemunyam. But I don't think Atletico Financial will even want to do this deal. Griezmann that's all. So these are some of the things a bit detail from signing Cristiano Ronaldo into a best a Santro Fiano Mano. Or was Radie, but Musio Tanechi, Obefana na Obejano. Obefan Estrade Nechi no Fanaba. And now Musio Tanechi into Obejano qua. And these are some of the things. But let's applaud Ronaldo. At 37 years, he still wants to play in a top European league. Certain players, Ronaldinho, before 32, now Ronaldinho basically was playing in oblivion, but still in Europe there. But at 37, Ronaldo is still going and is still going strong. So to wrap it up, once Abu say you will be a biological clock. As a metaphor, you use the man say. So wo yatra wo 30s na say wo time no ya so an senti wo so power ye bi ware anasa wo power wo bi na wo. The biological clock of females started here, then they go for any available option. But abroad bani jina the form so pa say ni hypocrisy so na chese back and front bibia ye djuma exactly and no onya several suitors into ochusu or peke de ebeboa no. That is the story of Paulo Dybala. I didn't know Koroma. Or Koroma because now perhaps Dybala and the entourage, no, they envisaged a scenario where during the summer transfer window near BNO, clubs no, or more far for no my friend. Dybala, you so bebo my why you ready? Obebo na more. But something like that did not really materialize. Juventus withdrew their offer for Dybala. Oye no free moi. Inter Milan, they grew cold feet into Moto Chomo when they got Lukaku. So Dybala koi. What they say, you see, Dybala ko Inter, but actually move no, it fell off. Then you see, Koha, a check the man you bemu, and the man you for the sign on Ronaldo Bebo. None of them developed to a very mature state. Kebeti Miakas and Cabrant and a barber joining. Enti Dybala trying na. Ba brante bi bese ne pe so obeware no obaye no sa time no gina ne na so but one fan adwan fan mo musa sisi ne biological clock no wa hit it into brante ne that's available so he will join AS Roma and that is the story. Now there were pluses and minuses. It depends how Mourinho will go about it because Dybala no a player be he's an asset and can also be a liability. The Inter America Sabu last season Dybala missed 16 games due to several injuries. Out of the 16 games, Sawokasa will calculate in terms of days. He went 88 days inactive. So share on Sompa TV and Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook. Over that's no. Sa 88 days no messy no. Went to me and training, went to me and Bobo, but yet Yanaka. Last 2 seasons, on Messi 21 matches, a total of 130 days inactive, no training, no match action. Wakabomwa, it means that in the last 2 seasons alone, Dybala missed 37 games for clubs our body amomo. Which does not speak volumes of good for a player or ye run a 30s, Nimoko 29. Now age and then recurrence, mostly a boom. More now, the likelihood say several muscular injuries, joint injuries are wasafano, a very okay, a best sounds with Sibion. So in the age, any in the injury record, and more in the last 2 seasons, the injuries, are very repetitive. So how does Roma go about it? The injury record, how best can they manage him to ensure, say, Dybala or ya quantitates only play or be injury prone. Omunya na son faso. So oya fit there, then they will realize he's an asset. But when you're fit, Dybala becomes a liability because so financially you are committing, but on the field of play you will not get more minutes from him. But oya asset, it means that he will contribute goals for you because who shared the last 3 seasons for Dybala? It was Juventus. Who are the top 3 scorers for them? Juventus seasons in the last 3. Ronaldo Bebem, Dybala will also be in there. Maybe Alvaro Morata Tuaso. So it means when he's fit, he gives you goals. And last season, Ronaldo Nihono, he was their top scorer in the league. Goals plus assist Nameka. 15 and what the mom. Even when he missed 16 games. So player here fit the other bemau. But on your fit the Albetianica or more and also how. So how does Mourinho go about the Dybala conundrum? A big issue. Until if Roma are able to get him to stay fit, they have a valuable asset, a good number 10. Number 10, no, a 30 jersey no pass the amano. Osha 30, and in the history of Roma team, ni mo anyadi that form. And it's a 30 naji to me famana. It means he trusts the boy to deliver, but he can only deliver when he's fit. And he joins a set of Argentine players as well. Omokofa a Roma jersey no. Se opeso ko abra ontimi mbo ema impata, he will go towards the angle of Javier Pastore. Very expensive contributed zilch.
Yeah.
But se opeso body home modern ye bibi mo, then he will be going towards the angle of Gabriel Batistuta. Signed from Fiorentina, won the league with Roma. Ebiana Dybala to me win the league, But Roma almost celebrated Conference League. A Roma side almost celebrate to see a winning Conference League, So to me, the Omoji Coppa Italia cry, I think they will see it as a transfer that is worth it.
Matibera se Michael Sarbodu na Otenen Kana Bishop. Yen na yenin koma kana mom no yezu Roma tibu wa twafo hene. Nana ofoyi eboa TV3 di nana ehe nana no PH apa nana eboa. Nana nyamenyo kese na sere dandi nyina de support ne me go amantin di hye wa ha. Mantin Mordini. Di Mordino adinana na no pe chiapa Bishop me nim baby a ode yefa na iramu kakra.
There's so many abon komo kakra. Gideon Techi do not have friend pin to us or Happy Hospital.
Yeah.
Oh we come Gideon happy birthday.
Karame baba ye ne ho adwuma ko enimu kakra ba waka no still a mesa ye ne ho adwuma ko enimu kakra. Ba waka no kra yi fanto so mame. School fees fanto so mame na hwe. Gideon. Gideon no. As Gideon a program no fin the agro cry.
Absolutely.
And here na what that share we happy birthday rademwa. Nagi ejuma na wa sha se ni kro na abu ejuma wo no so do e kro pa. Bishop. Edio.
Ebefa. Akobia sha se o the people sha se o see we briefing upon briefing na na Mr. Kakra. Because we said Twitter trend no so Kalma Kunde. Kunde is blue. No, you don't change.
Kalma Kunde no ejezen.
Kalma.
And only about soon for terms no.
You know Kunde is blue.
Hey, Jez.
I mean, some of the tweets are just interesting, and the actually say, "I'm on for competitive football." So you just have to find something to entertain yourself and not any transfer. And our transfer stories. So see, Barcelona and Chelsea, they've moved from fans' Twitter trend to briefing the press. Obia press Canada, Okoha, Adam for Ben Jacobs, Liam Trumi, Nizar Kinsler, Chelsea journalist, no, Marlon Obia Canada. But there is consistency. Ben Jacobs like this, and in a chat, he was telling me, say, Chelsea are aware, say, any moment from now, Barcelona could jump into that deal. And that there is a window open for them by De Jong. not the Frankie de Jong, but Luke de Jong. Obebo alone, I was a call back. No, Tisa Quine down. You see, I cried out, Jared Romero, Castle. Oh, there is a price agreed between Matthew Alimony and Ramon Monkey for Kunde. The problem is that Chelsea, how a woman in player power come. Send player power. Minyasho Chelsea baby say. Kunde Nankasani Chelsea wanted him. And no Mujina Chidi called the late Anye Kofa Koulibaly. No more here Kimpembe. And then Kunde is back on the agenda. Anye ya Luther King some plan B, Josko Vardiol from Leipzig. Barcelona on plan B, right? On plan B or Chelsea.
Barcelona plan B or Chelsea.
Ni who is Anye ya. On the coach of some versus that quite a bomb. No, that's the issue.
And you have fast still a baby back.
You get it. On the course, I would here 2 million. Chelsea people just 7 million on the turn, but these people want less. No, but the problem is for the Barcelona press to be actively pushing like this. You know, I'm tired of this antron. But imagine for a moment that Chelsea are unable to sign Kunde. I'm more plan B Kimpembe. They would go back, or probably just cook Vardiol, send a Luther King catcher. But my worry today is that Kwembe is so and at Chelsea, Barcelona are competing almost our transfer market. Because it's something I'm struggling to understand. Me at time it's here, me dream one minute say, Omunyo Omo Bonibi, a player need in Rafinha was delayed by a former Chelsea player, our Barcelona da. And now Jules Kunde could possibly also do that to them.
But her name is Hintasembio by Ebeko.
No, na make her say, we are very likely to speak to a Barcelona press person, Nyame Aduma, next week.
Yeah.
Aside first liver, second liver, I don't know Mokano. People in Spain genuinely believe Obiakache Barcelona said the Super League would be a possibility. Yeah. Omakachrom, there has been a briefing in Spain. So Super League would come on and come off in a different format. Amount for Besum, no Mujituma, Sikaneba, they are good to go.
Some passports.
Into the Omo Yeni Nano, Omani Bako to baby. Into Chelsea, to see Omo way, Omunya Jules Kundia, Omo Mat Tizat Pliqueta Enco. Se Barcelona so enya Jules Kundia, Omema Cesar Pliqueta Babishim. Nemum Chelsea would rather delay Aspilicueta. Send a Omubenya replacement before they would sanction any possible move for him to leave. Again, I'm not so happy with clubs who are still actively pushing the transfer market because time now being integrated players. When did you saying 20?
Yeah, near 20th.
Yeah, but community should need in 10 days.
Yeah.
So maximum 16, 17 days, the Premier League is back. And it's problematic because about weekend Wednesday kakra in the opening 5 fixtures. Them say weekend near about Wednesday
because of the World Cup.
Exactly. Yes, sir. Na advantage they say cause anko funu mi no. Omo ayi ni mo so contested for Premier League. No. Advantage no more because they have a very settled squad.
But Liverpool signing Biamba.
No. Unless there is a window for a midfielder, mo pen now be available.
Oh, okay.
Other than that, they are okay.
And Man City, so no, apart from Mark Cookie,
and I said Borna Sosa from Stuttgart, because that's the plan B.
Okay.
They have a very settled squad. But Omalusu players, somebody is asking, wouldn't they replace anyone? So hold on, ever replace Aguero. Then it means Julian Alvarez is replacing Sterling.
Yeah.
Kukurea for Zinchenko. So that's the beauty of what's happening. Calvin Phillips, replacing Fernandinho. Very settled squad. I feel that two teams, no, Liverpool like this, I feel almost share preseason, I say, by going into the camp. And then this is the coach's time for tactics, formation, and all that.
And I'll take also be replacing Zach Stefan.
You get it?
Yeah.
Into no Kamboma, almost settled squad. But Omo Makano, Frankie de Jong, Beba Dabeng, we Beba Dabeng, debut Beba Dabeng, Sa, and a team Mokroma, and Hadrian Kakra. On the other side of the coin, Maldini and Frederick Massara Martinelli Playman no pay ko PM Brugge on club Brugge e could in come for Charles de Ketelaere ho na midfielder a Belgian international midfielder obi a hwe nanim ball no onimbo ni physique no ya na me ha me kakra bad ball no die kra no onimbo. Now Leeds were so much interested in de Ketelaere and Jesse Marsh asema can say we are not finished with him but we've moved on to other targets. Not Chelsea Sikano. I am saying maybe.
We need Italy pa there.
Some passports.
But it's Milan boy in a friend saying Salamakis. No, Salamakis over.
Salamakis there's no wedding show. Bishop I we last say Belgium match be. You didn't even see my Mariam.
You won
about the number be cry away.
Very nice kakra.
Agrakiti to una Mickey. Say oh that be
that's the situation with De Ketelaere. Na yemfro nyenko PML the Super Falcons. Almost say on omo nye training no pe ma boycott. Omo si kasem kakra no. Nigeria sports minister no farm sikane mai. Na bonuses no any omo pay them so omo could do Morocco ho no. Yemfa mo bi aso kan hwenkyerɛ. E na omo ba World Cup in the Ombers or qualify area, or qualify area, Sikanian Famom. Or why you see, there Sikani Beba. Yet then, Sikani Beba. To hear Franny or Dega, Murashidat, Ajibade, Plumtree. Now, we hear Chiamaka, Omugo Kipayana, she say,
Plumtree, no, yet Danka, we not count you. No, that. Yeah, Bob Pio joke but cut down with your car.
Imagine Sika come on passing, and you know, I'm first kind of man and be anti conquer. By Munich, ABS Castle, the Omoyan, a bride, so look, they are not replacing players. By Munich are actually doing a surgical operation to their team. Money, Matthias de Ligt, Mazraoui, Gravenberch, Nankomo. These are all potential starters. We might have told you, these are potential starters. I think that is not enough. Almost say they are still talking to RB Leipzig. They want clarification on Konrad Laimer. Say, send your identity by 30th July because remember German Super Cup on the 30th of July. Any Austrian international midfielder, Yankan Huasem. So I'm signing and I'm training next year. I'm free. Live is Zupiska. Then the mum family low cut just like it happened last year. No more just can't come baby. Nkomo wi omum fancy up. Omu kura so na Matthias Steel edi nkomo el stadren. So mu na Matthias Steel omu pe. And I ran for El Bobo 25-30 million. Akwa no so a young international player who see Akaima France. Under 19 no Bobby. Matthias Steel no. Now what they are saying is that, well, if it is not going to be the case, then they would push. Ombe push for the end. They no more sheshe. They move penny and say, Matthias Steel deal ni ya. Oma catches Stuttgart. So musumo and Senkayewo Sasha Kalajic because omuhia a center forward. Ale no mo tete ho. Matthias Steel omo tete ho and they drew Sasha Kalajic. VfB Stuttgart. There is a relationship between Bayern Munich and Stuttgart. And unema Benjamin Pavard if you ever hire without much trouble. Pavard bo anu aboma France at the World Cup no. That time Stuttgart Bundesliga 2. Nanka ombetimi nyesika kese from continental clubs, but they decided to remain domestic and then push their deal towards Bayern Munich. And they almost said meaning Bayern Munich number 9, a center forward. They've not replaced Lewandowski in their own words. Nka omo fancy wo ho Omar Richards Ednama Crystal Palace 10 million plus 3 add-ons na Matthias Steel ninye the only Matthias Steel on white French player no. Now Omar Richards near US international by Munich Ednama Crystal Palace omo the Omar Richards ema ni wie a asema omo ka kire omo within the team Brazil akache Oliver Kahn say omo Mr. Stuttgart say Borna Sosa anase somunya Borna Sosa omo nko Hoffenheim emisa say German left back David Raum ne hon 70. So this Borna Sosa Croatian wing back Manchester City at some point Chelsea is ready to tell. So Bayern Munich are fishing from within and without. This is David Raum. You know, level is being a Bayern Munich ebi omudi this escan. FFP being shown. no by Munich they a clean club. They do their business cleanly. In Kenya, we say agree there. And count there.
The coin at them
massa. I'm a beast can also Africa baby. No, we dear market no. Into Germany, Omofa. Sanso and now by Europa. Omofa. Omora Italy, the biggest club there. Omanyo Bium. Omora England, the second club there. Omofa will be a film. Omora Ajax. Omo to a film. Now her price and the top players no. Omudi Lewandowski can bear movie no. Now they are willing to splash again. Until we are in an explosive transfer window. Me ata meti him. Me try say Rebecca Donatum. Brain ya two don more. This is the end of the transfer window. You we akoko. First time maybe me want to say football clubs in Europe. Sika say no medina fee because a fee we says total spending in the transfer window and 3 billion. Ebe me wan kakra. England nkwa no. I'm suspecting we could be above 1.5 billion pounds at some point because Obiato. Everybody is buying new. Now, me may say predict say the final weeks of the transfer window, Bruni say a very chaotic. Obiabeka Kopobi, Chelsea, Aspilicueta, Kunde. Nipa mienui, maybe I'm Samakusi. Eskasem, Madame Mamma Fencia.
Mate, Chama Messabana, Yahene Din Komoka Kransan and Yakudiana, we will fear sono and Semo Hopa. Na report to be a Minsaka Fipistiano. Mema nkofo ahade na ya musere ne mesiko na emeze Ghana na no hwe na nye yaya ayeyi kakra di ye hwe na ya bomodin ye remna afisem na to aso etimiera mana wansera kase re kwen fama 21st kene Comadaroma ye kere choso me expert in sciatica na sciatica no o kan sciatica ne ho asema na jezo bia ne watran se ama ne to asinti de kɔ ne simo no etwetwe no ne aye ha nkofo pa di o ze ni no oba 21st aso ye ne hwe ne so ano etimi eremo mo na bibrema ewiase nyina ya dwo matumi dwuma no mo ye na no eden okɔ a yaye bia fi uti so de babesi una se ye breni aso ano etimi era mo laba okɔ ebeboa na ne no ye timi aye ntutu eni ye na ye timi a check bebi aye ne hye ne ya hwe na ya boa na so agya ya scan services no omo ye Friday bia massage ne akɔ maso ye okɔ aye wo mo a eni ye beboa ne massage kama pa na boa na hye na da yi so no etimi era ma machine treatment no enso ekɔ so Ghana more than 18 branches era ne agi bibia afa eboa na ne ma da di so no etimi area ma kuma so pomo a ahwa overseas junction omo ebenafa radio oboase council quarters ko junction obenyo omo and afi nkoko atani atausi stadium main gate no obenyo omo Accra East Legon omo eben Americans former number no 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 024 9311 embwa na ne mande da ye pa emfa Comadaroma ye hwena ye ram na afisem no ya bone tawtawa na de akibia eram etimiera manamom no mame nkona me coach akwaba ansa na akwaba na de akibia etimiera eram kama pera ma coach Maso Kradu of course Ghana coach Bakwa ye local scene wa ye djuma pa no and oba ye club football wa ye djuma bi romo ye national teams na wa ye djuma bi ball no so no time no bono obobo ni ye pa Barcelona 92 omo na ball modern ma Africa ye nya the first medal in football eba no Olympic game di ma ejuma then time na go jana na so omo ko boy no na enya de keto akra ko Maso go coach e ma kwa ba de ba Sompa TV Sompa 93.1
yeah nia
me ba cho bombo ko de
ya dombo ko empa cho muso
oh yansu nyame adom bibia de dam kama ne ma so ko yie pa
yeah mias
ati na Sompa duase ye ne coach de be ye on komo bebra obebo modena ne no ne yedi e ba ne pre-season won sensema ze ye sha ase aye ye mfaso aye nya se na ne ma ni sitie ati nei coach Maso Kradu ha ode be ruram na aboa na ne ma ku yinim ze obesa aboa man koma odo na wo se tetete no ode ram kama so ne timiera ma na aboa na hyehyɛ na dadi na mom no ma me kona me hwɛ na ntete so mo bobombo sen no so na emwa na ne man ko yepa entimi emfa ema de a oro ani kokochiemu ewo nsuatre ere nsuatre man omonya qualification no omoba ababa the Ghana Premier League no 2022-2023 na project omoye no Chumasi Chrome no enya de keto akra ti Chumasi Sports Complex over join en wahwe zede niema no na ejuma na esi akwa kusi omuzi omo ogide se wo so omo matches no afi no omo bo no ho na eboa na niema deda yie pa etimi ere mo nti ejuma na omo ye na niema omo di rem no omo bomodi omo stance ho no dress room ho facilities ho no ni nyina omo di niema tototo na kwa ma bibia ekoyi etimi edi emomo na eno no nye ready no ore ma menko monsieur Sebusia abonto draws me confirm me ma no pa no zene draws pay for cheze bibia keka kono zia mebu play off ade omo nim se bibia ade na du no e wo se niema de da yie pre etimi ere mo na omo timi ye ntutuni na bibia akoyie pere mo na no pay and omo supporters nyina kan bom so omo ko the Ghana Football Association secretariat na afi omo de omo nsema akọ damping for example omo giri se sere ne mesi kono e ha adwen kakra komo ze na mboma ene ne nkofo no e bo mo de adijai
intinin saso ne mpanyimfo yetitim nsam yede ko nkaate bi yede ko akama on there wahwe na pepe ye den onye adwuma onye den aye afi 2021 league na ye boy no draws ye ko relegation ye ye jitum na mom aza FIFA no onye CAF no onye Ghana football one hwehwe onye bribe and a betting into okopem there ye nuanom aboase as good no inter allies or boy first match it's in painful ban there also way person what you show na mbra we start 2021-2022 league season no was you turn a man there say injunction quarter leg no do na wa assure and there inside hotel na you are a straightforward case into painful obeti na yani tima yababa yabe replace as good apa Bedetin aba na bedetin so wa aba no munia ehwe no munu ya rom ane den sisi a wase da yen no Tamale City ino anye Liberty yanko ba playoff na wankasa one emblem no owo mu de Premier League no osiri demote one team demote three teams na three teams so wa den wo ba beshem enti sa Canada ma na division 1 so one brother osere ebasa fi period zone 1 zone 2 3 nesisi ano esi yakọ playoff esi yakọ Liberty Professional ampo embra assembly scene no draws nya point ahead of Liberty Professional and for that matter these two clubs Tamale City and Liberty Professionals were in zone it is a FNL kanu ya jituma on yeje kura on yeje enti anya yanso ne no yabeche FN za 1 year the one for Bedetin one for bright time enti eti yensem ya ezegun ka tedo mayen aloye so wa kanyina no ya jitum ye fo won achi enti ne sa so ya ko Ghana Football Association na ya zem ka teza akadan one na yanyim da one efiri akwachi and in social media there draws for yen yalaba be na ze ya be ntu asam ana ya be troubles we efro mpocho no kwa bi anyim ye fi there mbran wazi ye dwuma na yalaba nka ache ne ze ba yenyu bibiala kasa sabe pepe otre mencheni
Tiri Okana supporters no dos ye pa na no omoeko mama mintie jamane kakra bi o monsieur Sebusia abonto drafts IDK Pandi mama mintie jamane kakra jamano omode kono na enye jamake to akra na say na draft supporters no Ebusia drafts IDK Pandi and Husampa enya de keto akra ti nara bi ze free secretary omo zo omo no nya ntokwa no mo krata no mo de ba omo we team no do so ro musi wa koma ta team na chi no e wo se supporters yi na ba mama me atwuma si sports complex ona me hwe sere ho no esi atie na ejuma no bebi omo ya akwa koduri nya sinsu atema ne bana ene omo baba be jom na so na omo arese ne amabedi dadi pet me ra to join here on Sumpa TV abon se rampa ejuma no omo esi aye no ne ma omo de awuram ne sere tutuye no esi aircon no tumu sampa nhye ne ye pa the way Brad TV adaro mana yenye bia ye twa ne kama pa ma hwe enti nya nsu ateman no mo project ani omo ye no na utumu zampa libre wumpa na omo yes be ready na ne amore so be timi dia hosti the Ghana Premier League no na ne ma deda di pre timi ara moment we no be ze na otwe mienu ntem
be be ene kwan hwemu wa
oh da bi muntwen du chuma si kroma uru ma say on kobe yes 10-15 minutes kwa no do
because minimity am busa sa
yeah na wadu go
minimity am busa sa
oh da bi sa yini de ne do mo fa ma o sa de Premier de hono ba me se niam bu ho aya ne dan kakra me da ora ma mi wie na ne kra me no ni bishop won komo bi ni we ya ti me ba na ma ba be ya di bi acho na ma me koko ramo bi ni go star so ma so ye na me nye wita oro ni chemo 11 so ma so ya ni o ma brante ba ko your friend George Osean Ponsa yes ni go stars for na ramo mo pen so mbra e ma me join ni o mo bo adwuma e na Samate so no am assistant coach ni free na ba ku free drobo ni di ni your friend ni ba na niba after so mu secure qualification no na ne okwako ramu ni krom drobo na pin perfect Richie Senchin abomode amane niema bi on fan konkon pin fu bi ni Jesus ozo on fan konkon drobo man hene amahema no wo ho no MC yo ho na afi na MP yo ho ni nyina ne se ozo ogiri zo baba be bo mo be kan bom na adwuma no o ma ya adwuma ni yie pa edi ne Ramo German South na jeze drobo man hene eni no okoche dom ni di no your friend Nana Akon Sechi the second and after oba hema no so no eni Rama your friend Yansu a omo no koko present JC no etimi ede mo ntimi ba no ka Samate some assistant coaches no and na MC no and as MC no wo ho no ni di no your friend Andrews Bidi Akon ono so the Rama na MP no William okofo date na yesi ya call ye no ya nto open pa na nkasa wonti ni open friend Mr. Amponso no na e pay teacher ma no na gina ma obomode agi yeboa e ma ne ma ko yie pa etimi ede mo kama pa ede wonsem no ewramu so no etimi ede ama na mini komo we Aduana Stars o ma so ya no pa na me break ede ma as coach Pakwasi Fabian a join Aduana Stars o ba na oni omo ababa bi ejuma ebisa coach Pakwasi zene dia enti e no gina so reason be enti na ne okoye a wasia ba ya ba beto asa ye Aduana Aduana Stars como sei era ni Pakwasi bomo de dijai
make a normal feeling just as a coach there say my Aduana say me coach nti anytime a team be have services no her conditions will never boy ya Aduana nti feeling normal
bien e po mo de je say feeling city na osu normal na coach de e dia abebo adwuma de amatimi after no o kansam kakra etimi refa doma man hene ho ezanze o girize ne boba ni nyina no na jeze na najima bedu ohwe anamontuo ne nhehye na obomodi tu anamompa ni nyina ka bi no ba e ba be join Aduana Stars bobuku no
definitely that is the idea ntema am say another man I feel say with my experience with the youth no Buama to be infuse more youthful players into the team until that is the idea say this time around no they may infuse a lot of youth in the team na to me I'm going to me abuache that's the idea yeah definitely that is the idea until I'm say
amane ma koye pera after no e bizanze last is Aduana on last 12 games on my rene ba kokra na team no me say modern wo fem di ene oba kwan be ne kwan be so na abefa so a oba build Aduana because Aduana standard ne their least Ghana Premier League top 4 de e kana mu wo mbiti sen na be ya oba build team no na aboa na ne ma koye da mo no so anu yesi e na coach Pakwasi Fabian de mai
o me ka say youth e be ba mu a no nche say there are two players in the we are going to blend the youth and the experience because you can't just throw away all the experience and bring and now the youth from Kwaba ever started moi definitely said I'm kind of you see the correct team the Bibeka into your one Becano will add some experienced players and some youthful players to blend said a team with Macon
and you grow money coach Asiaba Opana wa babu jumana maniama kui para man opana me chechu mo ze nyambo ochina ombe report Monday players in yours mo report 1 week or ba asese mo na me yana dia ze wa twa dia ma aduana mpanyfo no ze players bi mo was in no resen and sabe come on ma babu juma okọ kuma Woman United a omo player bi omo captain and midfielder boy no ni bobo pa your friend is Samuel Boache ono ni die di kan ko na Augustine Randolph ono ye juma de ma Carella right back na also nyomo a Odirize beboa na eduana bibia yiye kama pa etimi ada ma Bishop because last year Bishop mutifie na bonzi team bia ba kokwa asare ahwe mo na ekọ e de ebe sa na 12 matches ekofo ye timi anhye bi e ba sa ya na arahuye pa na momfa me nko Pristia na Pristia na ba ka che na ese ya so tabi o Pristia o man ka so o mu yo o bo se ya ye na bi ura munya to wase project na wo se me makofo tie bi na irade Ghana na ni nyina ne se Yazi AstroTurf no o checke ho ka no se city a na 319,813 Ghana cedis eno ne ho ka era ne o me de ba betu dwa GMPC4 era ne o mo confirm ne de me 2022 AstroTurf no kra no o we se de ho sensem ni city se ne tie ba de me pacho first May ya 2022 AstroTurf o mo se ide ya ye e kika ka ho nsem ho ka bebrebe no o ofi amema watie bi na mom no so onye we ya memo hu sere ne ma esi akotu dwane na ahwa me pacho ene ne da ho no ade ne da ho no cheki sika no ne sere ho nsesem ne esi atia ati ene ne hye ho bebi no Pristia AstroTurf no listen ne da so the Pristia AstroTurf no cheki kana 319,813 Ghana cedis eno no ho ka no na sere no musisi ande ne ya wi o
319,813 cedis
no bani
3 billion
ma o join on Sumpa TV abra na bra be hade ma me mo ofie no amuntie kakra na me ba cho say na AstroTurf no Pristia de na ye ka no bra na be hwe say de hu sitie Apostle meba mamen dame okitwa bimbra bro azem is adu we no was them mama ka was bazara but yebe ba but o de mamen dame okitwa bi mamen dame okitwa bi me dame okitwa bi aba me ba na afi ato aso.
Let's place a bet on this afternoon's game.
And this evening's action, bro. And 3 more tomorrow.
Okay, remember, when I slow down, when I take a break, and I stop chasing losses and stick to my budget, that's when I'm going to have a lot more fun. So, let's place a bet on this afternoon's game. Bet responsibly. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
Ati Betway Ghana, of course, who are Queens also by Bomodin Wakona, Wakaka Kucha, and Buanania Daye Pet, Miramede, Farbom Mundi Feeding Wacha, and Fahon Ramon Webos. Good morning. I'll say Barry Kuma Clinic staff are watching your show. Our TV is always at some part. We love your sports show. Set. Monoma Jumia phone in Barry Kuma Clinic. Ye chamopa. Ye use the program no mon find diagro. Na dande in Amon Koswa na Monshe. Na Emwa. Na Niamande Day. Fantastic Diaby. I watched Manchester United Crystal Palace live yesterday. True to be told, Akomia really understand Ten Hag project pow. Hey! What a massive transition and possessive football. Na meze no na there be we no na be hu ni we ya there be we no na we hu ni we ya ati oko one sector so bi yo menya no tie teachers na e ho no omo so abie dia tuma ne omo hwe teachers na e ho no me chi omo ona mi sister na child no de o me chi no anti Tech Junction yeah
drivers no mu loadi from Oho to Makro, from Tech Junction to Makro to Sofulai. These guys massive.
So ye chomo pa ye chomo no paper ye chomo no paper but na project any DM cause of pistia idea me who ade ni yo ade no ye si book no omohwi ade book omohwi
abu me chemu miensa
omo fa to so ne ehwe
me chemu miensa emu mienu me di she fridge mo chena ma beto aso ba kromo agro we ni so dodo sabi agro we ni so too much agro we ni so too much. 3 billion. Yes, you find stadium fancy wo. Yes, you find stadium and fancy wo. Obi akwajiska no. Stadium no ehunra nie. Hwe we kusibon. Kusie ne ati wom. Kusie. Ye ka omo me nkoma. Kusie ne ebebo wom. Kusie. Obi ajiska le dawo eso obi kotwam sisi a na sabi obi anka sasembode bi si pemre bi kram pem ne nan ade asem nie am se zu ne akretu opistia eyezu
oyo bo dress room
eyezu you see abu yem panifo ni take us for granted too much yet to kroma se ne call parliament ekokodi nkomo ko kan sem se Esipon stadium ye 90% done. Yet the Kroma no Mkokas asem ne kire. Ye ko hwe Esipon, em se Esipon kwa de em se e okra chan escape from Sobibo. Na hwe we Pristia iso bi begina wan akọ see em printman as MP. Scanning free GMPC Foundation yankasa bank obo obosia na be yo. It's from a specific foundation. And the money is coming for something about the Aboma development aba. But my name is Sabi, adwini so aye bre. O my name is adwini so ye bre. Adwini so o my name bre. Edi anie. Kusi bo many appears way. Abu the mama fashion free no chira mesa ba coach wa the mama relax coach wa.
Scott Stadium no obi on kakra. Scott Stadium. Scott Dinami.
Lazy. The maybe I didn't am say young boys no more Cristiano. I can't go fast so Baby Drew asa akropon a ebi ho ombobo so was akropon for the no ho ba omo Cristiano for the omunya bi enye anwa na gugu so the gravels no yenya butre he we one careful sad we this year ombo no
we no
oh easy. The people are angry and it will spill out. So what I say, the dressing room, no. Scaneko, a Juana and Nipani and away. Contract a match baby Scanafa. Because they are Nyaba. Now, Yeshabo, the sad document now Babontino. They all baby a bit Marco Hobiano. Ebeko Kuchaba. Yehubako Abu, Yebeko already drew. You didn't baby crop. Sabate warrior call you who send gravels na negusu na nkwane to
It's a raised question about even GMPC's own supervision. First of all, projects like this is done in phases, and every phase has a certain cost quota. However, I don't see the sense in where how many phases this project is it 3 or 4 phases. Now, Oba releases Kenya when even a first phase has not been done for inspection to determine say Sikano crowd call a first one no you're utilizing resources not very wisely. Now, wodi sika ma ne pa ne nyina watua ne nyina adwuma no kra enhya ase me ti bida
about the obu it
doesn't make me ba I'm saying me and me sika no tie me and me ma sika no say me make sure say me supervise because I don't know the me din so na da so GMPC project
yeah
but never got here say me and me and me ma sika no at least your first phase o start here you lay the ground very well first phase no kra no omo ma asasun se kobo ye kobo no kra be hu se kobo no kra waye na che se o ye adwuma no na second phase wo hia den sika se ansa na me de amount me ntua sika nyina ma first phase kwa ye nya nshase I raise a lot of questions sika na release here no why na release sika no why na approve here because e basa na akoye se didie bi ya bem me kan sa na tie because e menye bi didie a and they may approve say yo it's so sad and pathetic. And yeah, young talent no more circle. Are we thinking about them? I do baby a sebi. Me the penny for no be a binomo sebi. Sometimes ayana omo mobo that omo refi say ayana ye print we nyina he fa na ediko he ye de sika aginkwa anga president zo ho ye sebi ye prisika ye nima to the extent say ye nwini pa ho ye mpanyi for no sebi o sika on print nyina no obi a wo wide discuss no agu na de
about to we no china mesa yama why
no where there me several things ameka on
ocha be yama mama yen kodua na sembra
omo ye involved nyina from omo this is Wokrumu. Omo penyu Wokrumu. This is Wokrumu. Ochina. This is me channel. Ne ochina onye ready.
Ocha mema kwan na wadurura ma. Be project ni de obuku ni bize yawie. Na me say Scott Stadium.
Na so we project no the premier.
Yes, na se ma obi first ka bia ni Wokrumu.
Yan kwa inspect.
Akomia. Ontina ma ni ready.
Na se no so be on fa de on fa hu ni.
Na so be de obefe.
Obefe.
Adene obuku ni biawie.
Presia
obuku ni bi kai.
Presia this year
ya de bo okra ba.
Na presia this no aha no enka district no ana. Enti ono no nya we say ye bisa or try say or inspect crap passion say ade no crash ase ana. What kind of a competent DC will you become? Fifth such a monumental project a better enhancing a developing young talent and more opportunity.
About so families. My embryo are as a patch.
Oh, I do answer the
pay the was here hitiro. Already. But we embryo are as a embryo are as na. Anyway, anti your coach Diana ne coach Master Crondo Atlase. Na Major Mudiama Diana se for no near did in command to some pediase. A do could see a transi. Na ya Ramo near her said near me city near who said near me see Corneo Pinkesi in our journey. Now you bisa. Ze about the preseason ankasa. Teams here and sana season ankasa shas you know. A son faso ne saying say oh yeah. Send it here boa ma any season now okono. Near Masi Quede Mount. Major Mudiama some pachiame. Sumpedu Asichiame. Na washa see near Rama. Na Fiam said in Scotty or high Roman run. And Yanya coach means a big run near my baby, maybe Suswan. Mama Kwanwa Fernand Wardin Chabatu. Or joining on Facebook, Sumpa TV, Sumpa 93.1. Na Wabomodino, you eating message, you know, the four making Kate Miramadi. Marcus Arbodu. Mami jamu fama na ne coaching chase.
Abu, yeah, that's it. Yamo bibia kwa ba sans be on the aba Sumpa FM, Sumpa TV. Obetima show Facebook, Sumpa TV Ghana na face Sumpa 93.1 FM. Coach, ya sans mo kwa ba bion.
Yeah.
We dey here wa say wa ba be kan yensa na Sumpa duase ne yetenase a ma ye chiame atawa ha apostle so a aya na ye je adesua titru. Fa FM ye kan pre-season ankasa no ne den.
Yo, I'm a chair for Sunina. I'm saying in football, no, a camp pre-season. I am rare. Team Bia, why you ready? Say, Oberco competition, Bimono.
Okay.
Echo Boabuano. Now, say, what we all know, he said, the Duanaya, 2 year 2 free. Town now, Kura.
Ye woman
no ekoba before for no baby says I didn't na moko boss aka no ba bi na ontina kuro no man fa sika no che hotel amon fa ma hotel na wo kuro na kuro no benefit nyinaa so wɔ ne nkyerɛseɛ.
Okay.
Pre-season yɛ time a team here peace of mind.
Okay.
Out of the face of the media, out of any public or supporters, ebetimi aba distract team no. That is why you call pre-season, and of course a serene environment. Players after going through stress of the day, no, betimi I relax, I rest, I recover fully before the next day begins. And this year, because I call pre-season.
Okay.
Yeah, call ya and you call stressy players. Yes, a stress. We almost say stress. We almost say keke. First, we be also yeah, Omunya from pre-season no more. You may have team bia no be at the end of the season. I'm say tape that pre-season no whole year. It make a year. Be so what it happened to even EPL clubs. No one why best start season be bones maybe Chelsea and Manchester players be 5 a bit to Leeds United. Yes, season yeah. At a point in time, the players be regular players be 6, 7.
No problem.
Oh my in season now, so there are certain training now. I was say players no go through.
Okay.
Now, maintain o peak in season so. And you know, a good year mun paying for no. At the time will be my say a free be periodization.
Periodization.
Yeah.
Okay. Me pacha no bubu mo.
Periodization no it simply means I mean a period. You divide a season no into series of activities, manageable activities. Obeti me anya ne mapi wo. Face bia ne the was a team no ye. Face bia ne the was a team no ye. This over here team
bi akwa nipa da se ni wasore no obi a obetwitwi o se obedware.
Exactly.
Bia ne the oye.
The was a oye.
Okay.
Enti no dodo na akwa first week no won say akwa America slow run and yakofa con bi ho ne adan ye ho ne yahuru we ha ne ya say ni nyina wo de enti a yesa. Say who call pre-season now akọ 11 momo o mfa player ba kokora mafie because players na call off season.
Okay.
And off season no kura so ye active off season. Let's call off season now. First week in the year we don't expect you to do anything. No. Don't run, don't do anything. Just did that for a full week.
Okay.
Now recover stress and muscle no ne bibia form no mentally bibia psychological you need to recover. Tia ye mu bi kura no ye season ye kwa wi ye say season ye end ye ya. Na nipa bi frame me for 1-2 weeks na me pick course bi. Because we pick football asem no obeka. The mind has to rest and recover before new activities ever start here. Now, ya can also awie no periodization na me kan ye no.
Okay.
Phases bi wo ho a and cycles bi wo ho a and also coaches say ya na bebre na no ebitie you. It could be me, it could be any coach,
any other coach.
Your friend no faces na me be ubodi your friend no microcycle. Yeah, macro MAC.
Okay, macro.
And your mesocycle. Answer about microcycle.
Okay.
All these phases no. In fact, say microcycle there. The lengthy period that over season no more no person we at every stage. Now but meso na and on training blocks are obey person odigu akwan mu.
Okay.
And some but microcycle no weekly activities.
Obey.
Now weekly activities no kura so achi no. Or training plan.
Okay.
In fact, say paper so your friend or sessional plan. T coach be a oko trainer who say sessional planner and a session planner. Oh, you be warm up first. If you warm up, you be say, and if you want, you be say. Now session planner the most now as I come on the day, no, and every day of the week, no. There I was say, yeah, training be a. I mean, fan say, 1 week. As we micro cycle over or activities. 1 week, you know. In fact, about match Sunday, a Monday, players in here rest to recover from any match.
And I know more for recovery, no.
Recovery.
No, okay.
It be a modern soccer, no. You ever call Monday, no, a recovery session, kakra.
No, okay.
But Tuesday, meanwhile, I have match Sunday. Tuesday, our activities are obey to get the muscles ready for the weekly activities because. Within this short period, microsecond, they beyond the other say, yeah, Obesa getting players no to
level.
Their highest level, my competitive on the Sunday. And you know, from Monday on, maybe active rest, Tuesday, be training kakrewa, the obey. Coaches no be modern coaches, say, I'm fan say Mourinho, money Ancelotti, we say, Nebeka, so be a Tuesday, no crime for Monkojim. I'm to me pick Tuesday and Thursdays. Now, me for when Chomo say, you can say the team so Kojima. Ya high any other perception, ya different. Kakra say ya quoted tamna DNA. Dabi. Yeah, or specific exercises be a. Won't mean ya equipment or packs.
Okay.
Yes, a gym na obeying just to get the muscles ready for the Sunday's game.
Okay.
Until not Tuesday and Wednesday, which we most of the coaches, your peak of your activities, no now. I was say training no intensity, ni volume, ni no echo high.
Midweek. Wednesday.
Yes. Now no Kurano say FA Cup Bishema. You need to rethink about it.
Wow.
Now to me manage your activities here, said the Ebeya players will be fully recovered answer. What's your Sunday game? No?
Wow.
Anything you can't pre-season now. Faces no doors. But to start with, you know, stage by stage and face by face, crack, players are picky before they go into the season.
That's a yani a wabontena, yan yamumojuma nibino. That's a DNA also coaching here, no as selected players, no makwa na season, no match, mobile train, no makwa. I am more than that, I am more scientific. Sana game na babe.
Yeah. Na majija bebre kura
the okay
ya me kama bebre na pre-season no yentimi nka ho asem
ba ye de ho ne traso ombetu kwan omba kwa jinchia kakra ombe ye fans kakra twetwa pictures na aso omo de babu omo ho anisa.
Yeah, I'm say you can pre-season na ontimi even enko a successful pre-season na o dietitian tifie.
Wow.
Yes. Nabia, you be pre-season kura, a video analyst kura ni ho. And now your physical trainer and home fan over next week. Really no. Team be a near break pass season in person you need all these people on board. Now, after all that, you know, technical team not say a plan ye face be an umbedru hono. You have these experienced guys. Omeka say, "Oi, Charlie, you slow down, team." Na say, "Yeah, picking them." And now say, "We are under training the team."
And I more than a mohu nessa say,
yes, say,
bros one and say,
yeah, I'm fancy I will train them. I started training now.
Okay,
kakra. Your exercises be a better test to pause. Now they are multiply near my near who, but be a general fitness of the team no adru.
Okay.
And to me check is our post no say hey 95% of the team fitness na do this level near who say yen slow it down and I yen sign empegem kakra. But mko ya mko train maba ma be di ada obi en ho check even the a friend saying quantity of food Play and after this training, excuse me, quantity of food also. Yeah, they are lunch here, they know banku near ye. Ya be fill your stomach, ya koda. Tubercle preseason, ya banner players be put on weight. Or the best season. Because they may be unconscious. Anything I'm going to say, dietitians to move here. And so sports science for also who here. But you know, be no who say they are challenges kakra.
But have we made progress? Pre-season 10 years back, pre-season now, or compare Ghanaian clubs?
Oh, say they make us say Ghana for be past FA, current FA, educational programs. Some they go akwa Ghanaian coaches no. Yeah, cause my assistant Kura was Spain. Zaragoza for a year near my big crack.
Legon cities.
Yeah. And in a way, you know, a boama named Diaby Ecoso. Oh, me say, Michael says so, Eco Germany. It's good. Oh, and you know, one day come on board, they bring something on board. You know, not because of your head into new stuff, you need to learn it. They be also be impacted into the young players na niema atimi akonenim.
Nesano wo kan dia for because recently you publication be from the FSA on secure attachment opportunities for coaches on mobile outside Germany and some other clubs on Bobodi Dortmund Krane ka ho. It means it is something that you hear your game in him.
They hear again to make say pass FA na ye bi pa na we musu ato aso. Na be hu a FA no so kura the publication be by time I was a team in arrest here.
Yeah.
Date also almost started training. Now, and yeah, FA also yes, Akurama teams. We have to know.
Okay.
FA no they are more a step further to help the clubs and the coaches. I say normally no between 6 to 8 weeks. Team one year period 9 year preseason year no. You may be in shed and cost 2 years. You come because the 8 weeks there and you too much. Face beyond and the yes. Because preseason on after working on your friend is saying basic endurance, you know. Also work on other stuff, speed, strength, explosive what BBI also work on it. And yeah, that currently yes,
okay.
Oh, now we are what a team no a performance with friendly matches. And friendly matches in Korea started with low side clubs. You know what implications. Yes, so my pre-season 2 weeks. Team started yeah maybe Moonfried good, my Moonfried with mommy. Premier teams in the start yeah they start with second divisions. Normally I say more so now respond to ye. As yes sir, we year 1-2 weeks training now come Premier to Premier your boyfriend matcher. You may incur injuries severe and here place in team recover and season now start.
Well, what about say you better prepare the person and now make individuals in the player in the pediano pre-season so in terms of facilities near there what will be the ideal facility say obenya a dear training or players no motivate a group baby or person or mudru facility no then what would be the ideal facility and then even environment class
normally environment the first thing pre-season we make sure say or in place good accommodation and a good pitch.
Okay.
These two things first. And so what facilities are and equipments are a pre-season.
Okay.
Equipments in common football see when you slalom poles, when you elastic bands, when you ladders, when you tactical board, everything I was say we are well equipped. And so I pre-season. Yes, I one funny man be on training back but that is not all players new here. Also coordination level near my idea coordination BBR you have to go through it. I'm a player no physically, tactically, psychologically. Are you ready for the season?
Okay. Well, O'Shea was Sumpa TV. ewo satellite so and I will share on Facebook. I won't say ye videos be Legon cities for no year training. Could they see what you find a slalom post no?
Yeah.
And I said, "Oh, now done no."
Yeah. And I say, maybe I said this time, but they went through it, which is very good for team BR.
Okay.
A period I stress players a lot. As some more adequate rest period.
Okay.
Mama, I recover fully and some exercise no, and there was time will be all the players be training recovery period, you know, or say less time or more very fit, you know. Recovery period, ni our implications.
All right.
But almost at here, they work for longer periods and recover for longer period.
Okay.
See, time I be man the exercise na we no, but some man is at time now even more for him to recover because on very fit. But on be fitter, or more work kiki no man 1-2 minutes be. The intimate recover time na something should tell you say onyanya fit so nti san ko no na ye ne ho adwuma biem. Because we are fit we are some seconds be or also activity no repetition no 6 and I say 8 or so to me yeah no pepper on feel say why you too tired.
Video we say baby was say call for the ball. It's just a fair ball no. Oba was say repeat again. Otini now was say okay repetition no way.
Normally no. All the athletes and I say track athletes no. For nyina pre-season no.
Okay.
And your footballers in kwana pre-season.
Sports e bia.
Boxers we are pre-season. But yeah no the entire the bia na o say the ball can on say at the end of the day no ball na ball.
Yeah.
Entino yeah the ball no infuse exercises and said the be technically no you be develop it almost. In fun say Ghana Premier League a team. Enya academy. And the time I'll be nyama certain players say oh technique we a bono ha we the outside of the foot ni try cross on and say we coaches no don't have time for that. And you know during this session no you don't do pre-season without football. At what time I my players are 2 minutes without football. Okay. And at first no crana Cooper text na the form. Players be 2 minutes how many minutes within certain rounds I'll be making in 15-14 minutes. And then you 2 minutes be at the ball can say they be technically players will develop their skills more.
To what extent na pre-season jina players so and afa coaches so because waka say momo de mo be yan hihye ne de gu akwam so to what extent say pre-season be dimu a players no ejina omo so sign coaches so ejina omo so sign
like the pre-season the majority ejina planning na so technical team yes because one plan pre-season year be kwa akoye say yanko training kobo matches sa na asamba. That's not pre-season.
Okay.
But more enrollee program no to mama play be a copy. Week 1 we near be week 2.
But the more before and as a
yes. When the moment you know all banner psychological no are prepare the mind. Because psychological they have to be ready. Yes will be our that's sorry and then this training be a psychological no ready.
Because there have been instances you bet you so club way I'm a player with suspension ya tinisika because or reported for pre-season and you no nebuegu so I waterfalls
until America say off season
kofi amomo weight measurement biana
and America no bia ye ni mobia waiter or the coffee.
Okay.
To be banting as coffee first week in the did na rest sa
okay.
The free second week no con activities be or why the players no from second week econo also yes kakra also yes kakra also kakra sa nu ya no wait so we di no more and say and na me dietitian no we free e ma be mo e be ha adwen oh ya no am net na ase agi o more experience e dey account program no e dey amom but high obi ekofia oye yewie ya gare no dey agu nsuo mu na oye yi nti ya na e ha adwen Oh, niema bebre improvise. Niema no pi improvise. Ya na emwa. Enti no e hono de ya na ye Ghanaian players abaso pa. So mo ya there with all the difficulties
challenges.
Omo fam no. E duru ho Sunday so on perform here. They put everything aside and go and perform.
What about the challenges for players to cope with pre-season anyway? Technically, the understanding of training regimes and training methods are the how easy or how difficult is it for the average Ghanaian player? So, so me pesa we ni say. Me pese say ni efa so omo ne wo say omo no nya sankita hodie no correspondence.
It's all about principles how they be go up. When fan say a team I press you play from the back.
Okay.
And all that comes with principles. Be botra you can't get it right. Ezu nya fafa efri ha enko ha. We nya sanfa bra ansa akoni say.
Okay.
I will say yes, I did now for days and year weeks. Make sure say, regardless of player or Bobby, I'll be Beshahua, Sani, no, yes, or no about the style of play different. No, say that team near no. You either comply or stay out. Why Yanasa, kick him out.
Boys, then ask wedding room.
Baby, who say player be on the style of play? To a backpack and so he wants to still go back and yeah, what time? Agile players to bring their style of play on board.
Okay.
But certain principles who for tape na the really team no be bia. Oh, I want to be a higher about 1 touch. A do higher about 2 touches. No be about 4 or 5 touches or her. Game plan was saying
as a chairman person go agro.
What do I say? And there are certain principles regardless say Messi na ebo na Maradona na ebo na me Maxwell na me ebo e was say me yen sa my team e work no e ye adwuma
and na ye entiase no mu ni ana say e stubborn no mo ye
ye coaches ne was say instilling them say na me pese ye no we started enye easy mo that is why pre-season ye here media yen here supporters yen here obiawo yen chen. We want to be with the players and let them understand certain basic things say from A to B no fafa hands could be I was all tia no so tia yes sir tina akwa say automatic bibia oh asuma sinya ya so the fa hade minim say na eba minim say na me so minim say ha na eba no tin ma me ni kan enye de emetwen ono beba no ho no so de afa na sa na eko. Principles, they have to follow it.
Okay, about principles, no?
Yeah.
They are more friend a pattern of play, saying I'm person bubble.
Exactly.
I don't know pre-season I am.
Now when I started league, you know, what the best shame when there? Uma players, no, more all a unison ba. Oh, me they say I'm more but here. Me they me train into no. Baby ani ya train no. Baby out train no. So coach, a tinema be as a worker say, aha, no, uni me train pa there. But this zone, forget it. Oh, and American. If you have big coaches, no, baby, if you are baby, say one to me and Yanesa. Why not? I don't know about waiting my business. I'm a team Nina.
Okay.
Obi our qualities, but we all have to bring our qualities on board in the team context. Yanesa ye. Team Nisana. Your person, your boy, your philosophy, you're saying, your game plan is saying. Oh, yeah, regardless of system, I will. But say na ye bono, aha, ye bo 1 touch, aha, 2 touches, aha, 3, na ha kurano, ye nyane maximum 3. The team no ball, I'm because oh, a type of team never ball. Meanwhile, onim players no poba, he team no the way on board, but oh, where they are type of concern.
Interesting. Coach, why what the mark of pre-season no? Organic papa or more DBB or my why pattern of play na we have I say ade amakosuana mo be danadi in practice matches. So all selected teams are one your mo be boa. Akwan be na mo pass select team be mo say na mo free teams in keto and say na akosro against Premier League sides and na say bibia. Ade na kom.
The ma yɛfa teams nketewa sɛ we all know say teams nketewa ne ana ɔmo intensity wɔ fam kakra ɛnti hɔ no baabi a mo apiki aduru no mo betumi a implement whatever game planner mo de bɛkɔ season no mu
okay
and a league no mu ti mo try it on these small clubs na yɛyie wie a na afei mo shift yaba division 1 ansa some 1-2 weeks be to kick off there amabo premier 1-2 be I implemented what you learned at pre-season na hwɛ sɛ ebetimi ayɛ adwuma entini yankonko sua one style of play at least 2 buwa 3 we anye here and yes as soon as he be bobia I was say switch to this system antima bo team ni nyina
opening is rebisao send our kind in come out the pre-season ehun hia ben ne hia how important is it na no dan chair pre-season anko ya is it likely say season no so nko ye ma team nana
a work hand in hand pre-season the ehun hia ma team bia pre-season anko ye pe is likely say we recover no na league ni ya wie a bit say team bit say Legon Cities they call pre-season all right e buy no match we be there up and down sa ti actually no we sat back think say why are we not winning 2-3 matches on the trot and you know we self analysis anu we are na fe no you get closer and make sure say nima bi wo ho a insist say they must happen don't come and play yes who you so again there but play to the team contest na me kan ho yi no because obi a body onima you end up having no system in place and again no game plan in place but pre-season there you have to get it right getting the writer as the team progresses no boom say it be here to 2 years and we came in strongly first round no end here answer why because factors no were many maybe new players aba obi anya bi ba per se or chere se oni aso masi and no bebre they were not playing to the teams ayi the anonyms or bebo akam because squad na thick one kamu a anhwe onya bi mo sa we subama sa antino na ama team no ebo draws bi a was enka ye win the behu ye ho ano wie no it took us the whole of the first round the second round no obi ahu team away the way to more tina players no my settled especially second round no more do on board no players who they think hey first round and how many team no do am beba na players agitate one be who say ya na ebe use ya no problem and they also think once you are planning they also plan
coach sabe fan na me wa bontia I measure pre-season with my team they winning 4 matches at Waso yashe goals to say kwame na mo measure pre-season who say I am successful
me personally pre-season no upikin tema emwa peak at the time league you know I started yes ever started
okay
ever started no what picky
okay
yeah pre-season maybe 6 maybe 7-8 weeks fine be a period na ube hia say would be fix it o tactics na obi bia no e be 2 to 3 weeks bi o na pre-season yes weeks nyina no ye ko spending o ba bi ni hotel ni da bi that hardcore training sessions no there is maximum about 2 weeks bi now gradually no players no enyina afam players I do more best start the current season no they must be there. Interesting. They must be there.
Okay.
Coach, you dem come on the free pre-season so kakra na my main branch kaka. Obi any wa experience in coaching the Chan team or Ghana Hachem. Ghana a modern mockers here pass why I say a ball final in 2009 and 2013. 2013 the names of count. 2014.
Yeah.
Now didn't in a Chan tournament in the same team crown qualify.
Okay, I think say Kafin Shishaya or the Abana so Kahumbi. That is how personally Mesuya Mihun. On the tournament be no grouping no bar now who teams are on no bobo a boa more to me prepare ye pa. But they say no the car fire and say or more a group from West Africa for no. Onkwana mobile bomb Juana your group Southern zone no so or more about first no they're not you're mixing it up. Oh, but of course you meet your counterparts every coast Burkina why for now you wahayano. It's making it difficult for in fact say Ghana to go because you started BBI, you started slowly. You name say Ghana for what you know. But she say no, we shouldn't do that. Say prepare adequately, making sure say Burkina, say Nigeria, say Juan beginning now near you my free near Koyani. First no they are not what me ko shia Botswana, now ko shia Juan. Now what we are fan so now I qualify for tournament ni muna kakra. Now the Koyani, no I ko finals. But for the past 3 editions, you know, Intimin could be which I was part of. Now I had been the point I was an assistant, but yes, still you are part of it. The 2 times number, the substantive coach, Yentimian qualified. And here Burkina for ever sharing 1-0. Board row, me free. The other one was Abricus.
Yeah.
No. But over so after that now it make a tournament. Say waffle. They are win. Because other countries are any West Africa account. So we have to be tough, we have to be ready for your opponent be on my early campaign, early preparations, we be coming to play.
Current team no players home. Players are more so booty out team Legon Cities baby home. You have a fair idea how preparation for Chan qualifiers is done. Would you say I feel a bit me kakra?
Oh, I think my visit camp over 2-3 times already. They have a decent side. A bit me we are football there, but I think we have the men to do the job. A bit me Chan finals this time around.
Legon Cities yet in Sembibri, I'm first season neighbor query na Legon Cities. Born be ambabo crewman in Yamian Ukrainian, the Bijamo.
In Yampay, South Africa, no, yet TBBS. Say, Yakobo against the likes of Ali, Zamalek, Ne, and Cronenberg. Place or motor mono, budget to Hano, and Sumavia. By Yansun Yamiama talent. Yet tin kolano kakra krane do mo I hated that stage na and until I check kakra yentimi make impact wo Africa no mo budget ye huge omutimbo uro Europe top player I don't know Africa no but afina ye niam bi eka chi kakra afina ye peke eba ti en hwe se ye be encourage 2 teams no matimi I'm making impact in Africa. Because I'm making impact a boy in as a country. But they shouldn't be discouraged. You can't there, but we can gradually catch up.
Jay, what's your view on spirituality in football? Bono, a empire and I drew. A bobo nibi.
Obia on the GDO. Obia on the GDO, a bobo nubia, first and I remember. Oh, and Michel Howe, you say, something with Africans. It's very difficult to, disentangle ourselves from these spiritualities. But obi an believe obi who a Buddhist, obi a Muslim, obi a Christian, obi a Hindu. Na Asia the way a tier who Asia Ghana ha a religion is separate and very 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 good.
Max O'Brien do a bonfire by Bobo match, a man pie and send your boy and a bimps up a or match them.
Empire and a bo. Yeah, but sometimes yeah, me will issue kakra with the rate at which I cross over bonfire before a game. You have a free camp, a bonfire. You better not match mu, a bonfire. You better stay in my red dressing room. You ever call warm up, your bonfire. Through warm up bar, you ever call your bonfire. Please Drew Park as well. Almost wish I said, a bonfire. You know, I'm saying, your men one reminding and then you feet in pie now ball 5 minutes ago.
That's it. I know you're so pretty. I said, of course, Coach Bakwa Ghana and his age man. Why you know now? I wait my pa. Bonus or Bobo the Coach Master crowd new age made Legon City. Sina. I won't say no. You know anything. Commentiana the account Wednesday be also Bana Babisia DNA Wow. Emmanuel Makuye pa. Etimia mana Petrin. Erabina Eneya Wawoda or. Nursing Bremen SD Hospital. We are nursing you or Dino Petrin Irabina any Tofiakwa manager so happy birthday and Ramu kama pen for but my coach why biana or Bakumi Nubia Bibisa na Yahene Ramantino Mamenfa course on a kakra na Yahena Yimpiji Mukakra na Yerabtino Betimia Fernanda Adrian channel etimi Abba kama pani on said Nema AC Air Court joining us on Part TV Sumpa Radio Yadidi Dinkoma Wesia their preseason said na Mike Kakovobin Zay Kuchamfuni near Koko yi pray amona edena ba che da bi okoko boaboa ho na ade aba na mo hye no ebeja se na yeyi ma memfa abu ababajo odi ne bebi akasafi babajo odi ni biem
ya Jakarta ni kwaku
hey bro me tio from Brekum
from Brekum kwaku Brekum bia tumu ha oku coach acheche nyema bebre wo so mfadi ase first last preseason ni say America to be near Rubikake. You got Trapa to plan as a go players and now Konoma Chapo Hamab, nothing only. Then one me with football on near me with no Dawson. Baku, sad dietitian in the Korea Biana, Jubiana, the Aqua Munia, the Adu. Suddenly, the Ghanaian players, a fair channel. Yes, this is a DM and in your mother. Yes, I'm on check and some Pandi, Baku, the see you, Runabe.
Say, Medase bro, no the other 0548931931 0554931931. Me for you, I'm about to baby Akasafi. I'm the chairman TV, no frown, our team, and show TV, no Odiani baby Akasafi.
I'm about to me doing the medical,
medical me too.
Okay, I will a bomb battle. Now, the big country, and I could just say. Oh, check a crowd, the other boy, and the movie of hard, the all kind of nimba, so checking me at Yasia, then I suppose you know what to make you a moody.
Matthias, you had Arsenal so fair, who did any baby Akasafi? Maneso Kakrama, why? Patch on me too.
But I'm about to find me in my family. I'm not. You say, Ghana, voicing like I said, I'm package. There was so much money that come on the package. We did the guy, I'm and I don't want to. I know my family, Ghana.
Matthias, you had Arsenal so fair. Me Pacho, Diani baby Akasafi. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I'll Diani baby Akasafi.
Katafri, special, thank you, sir.
Odi.
Medina Michael Puss.
Mike meet you.
Pacho, the coach has been watch it, no more baby. Abuja Bizo, Mebo Abasuka, Yamtown, Nature attack with man. What is
Mationa Boa Tonka, Auntie, a coach, me name the other big chat on Afiarena, Eddie Jordanes. I may say they're better on Kofafa and Checheno Pa.
Maybe you know me da me designers Q90 fashion on the Sunday bia or parliamentary fair mame share copper nti e bona bas krum ha ya so no free ha no ya adwuma tino Q.90 across all social media platform na nkyerɛkyerɛ no deɛ yɛso ɛgu so a yɛsua bi yɛhu what the Europeans are doing na yɛkɔ closer na yɛkan na yɛ monitor nneɛma nti no ɛbɛboa yɛ nyinaa na de sua deɛ ɛni baakofo atum nti yɛbɛkɔ so asua na yɛso yɛ impact in the children coming up.
Adi na Rabena Legon City says share pre-season ase.
Hopefully next week. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, David is special. Is a coach by the horse baby sir. Adi yademusi yambwa yababa shooter so 3-4. Na yaba betrans ni din komaudo na aba ba na boa manema da ye pere amanti yakọ na news for naba na omo aba beto dini Abu Dhabi ene sumpedua se coach Maso Kradu ache nema bebri e di yakọ di aka bia no kwabra kese mo bana amori ato aso di ama
Yaba sumba